Bitch better have my, bitch better have my, bitch better have my, bitch better have my. I call a shot, shot, shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Like blah, blah, blah. Like blah, blah, blah. I call a shot, shot, shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Bitch better have my money.
Better have my money, bitch. Better have my money. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon now, I guess. Happy Monday. How are we doing today? Bitcoin finally behaved. Bitcoin finally behaved. And you know what? We're just gonna leave it at that, man. We're gonna leave it at that. I've been a little chihuahua chirping at everybody that came from me, and now you guys know what I'm talking about, okay? So I'm not gonna say I told you so, because that doesn't serve you any good. It doesn't serve me any good. But we're gonna move forward, and today we're gonna see if we can get into some scalp positions here on Biddy. Okay, now I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys. Right now, man, this is not the time to trade if you don't know what you're doing, okay? So, to everybody that thought, you know, we're going to all-time high, shit, you can't, you know, up only. To anybody that thought that, I highly advise against trading, like, specifically today, maybe this week. Because if you don't know what you're looking for, you can get rinsed, man. You can get rinsed in this, you can get rinsed in these markets, so just wanted to say that. To everybody that's here, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I am glad to have you here, my friends. I'm going to see if we can get into a couple of scalp positions together. I do got my eye on a couple things here, but I want to say hello to everybody. Tommy Luck, what's up, my brother? Rahards is in the chat. How are you, my friend? Crypto guy on the internet. Shouts out to Market Cipher, the sponsor of the channel. Dice is here. David is here. Miss Vala is here. Good morning, good afternoon. Still dumping or not? We're going to have to see, bro. We're going to have to wait and see. Beautiful bull divs just played out. Which bull divs, brother? Bro, check 15-minute. We are in the range. We got red money flow and bull div price gone up, and now we got that momentum wave cheat sheet entry. Yeah, let's take a look at the cheat sheet entry. Let's take a look at the cheat sheet entry that we got going on here. For those who don't know what a cheat sheet entry is, it is a trading strategy that I developed using Market Cipher. It looks like it. It looks like it, man. I don't like that we're above the 50 EMA for it, but it does look like it, you know? Yeah, Pikachu is still missing, man. Pikachu is still missing, man. Still missing. Eli or Ellie, what's up, brother? Good morning, good afternoon. How we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? How's the little how little pum is over? Kind of FOMO'd. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. We'll see. Is Market Cipher really worth 420 bucks a year? I think yeah, bro. I do think so. I think, man, it's an investment. Like, if you're gonna buy something, like if you pay $400 a year, but you make like however many hundreds, thousands from it, why not? And you also don't even need to buy it yearly. You could just buy it for life. It's like 1,200 bucks or something. So yeah, I think it's worth it personally. I mean, I use it. That's why I use it. That's why I use it. But yeah, man, guys, if you don't really know what you're doing, I don't recommend you trade this week. To be honest, this week. Bears are funny. I called it. Yeah, we've been calling it for a hot minute, man. We've been calling it for a hot minute. I made a case, guys. I made a case. This is why. Here's what I will tell you to the one that just asked me about the indicator. Okay, here's what here's what I will tell you. Okay, there's no indicator that's gonna be able to build the narrative for you. And you know, all week, bro. Like, not even all week. For how long? For like 3 months, I was talking about touching this number. I was like, guys, I don't think we're coming all-time high. I made videos on it. I said it was like 53,096 or some shit. Right here, 53,095. I'm like, guys, you know, it's not what you like. Just, that's the thing that indicators can't do for you. If you can't trade without indicators, you should learn how to trade without indicators first. And then you can get your indicators that will help teach you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know, there's no indicator that can help you build the narrative. This is it, man. This was the narrative. I said it when we were at the highs. I'm like, I even went as far as saying we could be $10 away from touching the all-time high. And I still think we're going to touch the green line on the low before we touch the one on the high. Dominance, I was bullish. I was openly bullish on dominance. You know, exactly what I thought was gonna happen happened, and now we'll have to wait and see what happens. Right now, we don't know. Now it's a clean slate. It's a clean slate. Yeah. How's the long, Pika? No, we don't say how's the long. We're not condescending like that. But we had to chirp a little bit. We did have to chirp a little bit because, man, these guys, like, you know, they think they know. They think they know. Anyway, so we're in a long zone. We came into a long zone, rather. I am long. I am also short, but I don't care about the macro shit. I'm looking to scalp it, baby. So let's see what we can find today. I'm looking for a couple things, and we'll go over it here. Thank you, brother. You saved me a lot of money. I'm glad, Juan. I'm very glad, bro. Thank you for being here. Guys, hit the like button for me. These are all trade setups that were given in advance to the Nexus, which is my trading VIP group. Yeah, man. Crypto Face sent you here. Yeah, shouts out to Face. Where to get funded? Yeah, so I've only ever used one prop firm ever, and my prop firm is Breakout that I used, and it's only because CryptoFace is affiliated with Breakout. So I'll show you here. Let me log in. I call the shots like gra. So like here, for example, like this is Breakout, okay? This is my live account right now. I haven't taken a trade on it yet. But I'm like, I have here, like this is a live account. I got 50K. I passed my assessment. And I wasn't trading over the weekend. I was just short and chill, man. I was short and chill. And obviously that paid out. I closed most of the short. Still holding it though, but I'm closed most of it. And, you know, I will be looking to take advantage of these markets still. But... yeah, Breakout. And the link for this is in the description down below. You pay one time. It's not like a monthly thing. You pay one time and then yeah, and then if you get funded, like you got some firepower. Bro, check for 15 minute. Yeah, the 15 minute is not a cheat sheet entry because you're not below your 50 EMA. Right? You're not below your 50 EMA. The richest people I know just stack sats. Ultimate Cipher B is a freebie. Isn't the whole range an accumulation with lower lows and 3 taps? Can I explain the concept? You don't really know. Yeah, so we can go over that. Like a lot of people, this is a thing that a lot of people I think got wrong here. Okay, a lot of people got this wrong. And again, like for me, I've been saying it for a very long time. Right? You know, you could argue like prior to this dump, you could argue that there was an accumulation, right? You could argue, I mean, like what? That's your top 1, that's your top 2, that's your top 3. You could have argued it. But the problem that I had with this is we didn't accumulate here. And I talked about this on my YouTube channel, like 2 videos ago. So you could call this an accumulation. Sure, it could be. It doesn't have to be, but could be. But we didn't accumulate down here. If we accumulated down here, I would feel a lot better about it. Right? But we didn't. So I was very like convinced, especially because we front ran this green line. Especially because we front ran that, you know. Derek FOMO to short, just guessing the pump is over. That's why bears are funny. Yeah, I mean... if he saw something, why not try it? If he's just scalping, why not? Why not? Can I check XRP? So here's what I'm going to tell you about XRP. I am keeping a very close eye on XRP, okay? That's all I'm going to tell you on XRP. First of all, this pump, guys, look at volume, okay? Look at volume. This pump right now, okay, XRP is in a macro swing long. I'm not long yet. I'm looking to get long. I'm not there yet. But I'm looking a long XRP. I'll tell you that. And I'll tell you why. Bitcoin, lately, actually what usually happens this time in cycles is XRP will get a rise as Bitcoin falls. I don't think the dump is over in general. I'm not, we're scalping right now, so I'm not saying we're going back down to 40K. That's not what I'm saying. I don't think it's over, though. And, you know, we could have some upside for sure. We're going to just trade the range. We're simply just in our range. But if Bitcoin decides that it wants to keep rolling over, let's just say, I don't know, like now, I told you this. I was really saying that we were going to hit that green line, and I was very confident in that. Okay, obviously it happened. Right now, I don't know. Right now, we got to wait and see. It's a little bit, the market is a little bit too shook at the moment, right? The market. So even if you're on the sidelines, like, it's not a bad time to be on the sidelines, basically is what I'm saying. But You know, usually what happens is if Bitcoin falls, XRP can continue to have its rise, and XRP is in a macro swing long zone. So I'll be looking at long XRP. And I think XRP will have an amazing run also, for the record. Seller absorption at the low. Yeah, probably. Probably. I mean, we are very well overextended now. We are super overextended to the downside. Right? Super overextended. So we'll see how high Bitcoin gives us. You know, this pending line is very important. Today's daily close is very, very important. Very important. Cannot stress that enough. Cannot stress that enough. Yo, listen, Ways of the Jedi. I don't fuck with being condescending. So if you're gonna keep being condescending, I'm gonna hide you from the channel. We don't do that. We don't wish harm on each other. We don't do that. XRP really better than bonds. Safe. What about Sol? Has the decline in the stock market had a detrimental effect on the crypto markets? I mean, we bled across the board. Like, look, this is what I think, guys. And, you know, you might not like it. But if you're here new from Crypto Face and whatever, you guys, man, I keep shit real. Like, I tell you how I see it, okay? I don't trade. I'm an emotionless trader. I don't care if it goes up. I don't care if it goes down. I'm not like, you know, I don't shill up only. I don't shill down only. I just say exactly what I think. And I think we're in a bubble, man. I think we're in a bubble. I think we're in a bubble. Like, we're in a bubble. I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, a lot of things take a tumble. I really wouldn't. But I'm a trader, so as price continues to develop, we might need to adjust our thing. You literally wish harm on BTC. How is that? Okay, you're done, bro. You're done. You're done. You're done. Okay. I saw this crash is similar to the COVID crash. I keep seeing that on the internet. People are posting like that chart. Anyways, let's get into our scalp levels here. I keep seeing that on the internet, but I don't think it's reminiscent at all, to be honest with you, of the COVID crash. People keep saying that, but I don't think that. Wish harm on BTC. Yeah, he's a fucking idiot. I don't know. I don't even know what he's saying. Sounds foolish. Gonna rebuild up your loss. Yeah. I got him. Don't worry. Am I the only person who is sad because we don't dump more? Well, I'll tell you this, bro. Like, it's nothing can go down forever, right? It can't go straight down forever. But I'm gonna keep looking for shorts. I'm gonna keep looking for shorts. I think we could come a lot lower than we came. I'm content with this being the low. Like, if this is the low, I'm content with it. But I just don't think so, man. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Just like I didn't think so here. And everybody, well, not everybody, but the people that came in and they're like, haha, Geo's just mad because he missed the bottom. And I was like, are you sure about that? I think today's daily close will give us some clarity. Today's daily close will really give us some clarity. Do you have homework for the day, sir? Look up my last video. 69K to 15K. Yeah, you know, I have a case to be, there is a case to be made for 15K. There is a case for it. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but just like we all learned here, man, liquidity is powerful, guys. Like, that's a lot of liquidity that they didn't come for. Just saying. Crypto Face, my boyfriend? Yeah, we've been together for 6 years. No, man, he's not my boyfriend. I've never even seen his face before. All right, let's see what we get here. man, you were up 8K? Damn, bro. At least you're not down, man. A lot of people lost a lot of money just now. And you know what's happening right now too? Is a lot of people are like, man, there's just like, it's like a I don't know, it's like a lack of self-awareness. Like a lot of people are just overly confident. It's almost like they're entitled. It's almost like they're entitled for like they are expecting there has to be a bull run. You know, there has to be 100K. Yeah, grown men acting like fools. I agree. People just, I don't know, they don't like. Yeah, people get so mad, bro. I don't know. You know, I have to say though, I uh I have to say though, I've actually really been enjoying not streaming every day. I've really enjoyed it. Like you guys, man, streaming used to be fun and you guys make streaming fucking suck. Some of you. Most of you are good, but there's a video where CF shows his face. Yo, drop the link. I didn't even know that. Let me see. Just because he was right and I got rinsed. Yeah. It's okay, man. It's all good. What happened to Mr. Confident Derek? I'm FOMO shorting. I don't know. Maybe he got out. I don't know. I do not know, my friend. So, guys, right now we're long. We are long, and I'm going to be looking for shorts, and I'm going to be paying attention to this line. I'm going to make a video after this stream talking about this line. This is Bitcoin's most important price right now is 53,216. So we'll be keeping an eye out. And I'm watching this box, this zone closely. This guy, we're watching this closely, this box up here. So we'll see what happens right now. We'll have to wait and see what happened. First time here, I heard you last night on CryptoFace. I'm loving the show so far. Oh, thank you, man. Welcome, James. I'm glad to have you here, bro. Welcome, my friend. Yeah, I got you, rich man. I like your picture, so I'll make you a mod. There you go. There you go. But yeah, I appreciate it, James. And to anybody else that's here, that's new, welcome, guys. Welcome. My name is Geo. Every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So, you know, stick around, man. Stick around. Let's see if we can get into some positions here. Hi, bro. Can I please do a video about my strategy? I know I upload very good videos. Man, there's a lot of strategies. It's not like a one thing. All my videos is my strategy. Like, you have to literally go watch all of them. There will always be pencil necks, yeah. You know, it's fun, though. It's fun when there's pencil necks and then I'm right. It's fun because they're assholes, so I can, like, kind of chirp back. You know? That dude that ever came back to make it good, did he? No, he never came back. The Pikachu guy never came back. That Pikachu dude never came back. But I ended up doing a giveaway for him. Like I gave away a VIP because he had to pay for something. He didn't do it. So you know what I'm saying? Too much hate. What do I do to them? Yeah. Still in your short. Yeah, I'm still in a short as well. I shorted all weekend, guys. I don't even trade weekends. I literally shorted all weekend. I told everybody in the Nexus, I'm like, guys, look for any short you can. Any short, any short, any short, any short. I shorted all weekend. I shorted here, took profit here. Shorted somewhere here, took profit here. Shorted, took profit. Shorted, took profit. What's my long target? It's just a scalp. I'm actually already out 90% of it. I'm looking for shorts right now. I'm looking for shorts primarily. What do I think about Breakout? Yeah, so Breakout is the is CryptoFace's prop firm that he like is affiliated with, and I'm using it. And this is my live account. I got funded, so I'm gonna do a breakout video as well for you guys because a lot of people are asking me about it. But yeah, I got funded. You know, I haven't taken a trade yet on this. Like I'm still trading, but I haven't taken a break. Excuse me, a breakout trade yet. And when I have a nice, a high probability Nexus trade, I'm going to be taking advantage of their money, man. So You know, I think it's good so far. I think it's good, to be honest with you. You know, I think it's good. I think it's really beneficial because I'll tell you why. So you get like, I'm going to try to say this in the best way, like the easiest way. I have a 50K account right now, okay? And I have 5x leverage that I can use. So for me to lose my account or get liquidated, I need to go down, like, let's just say 5%, hypothetically, right? But if I were to open up the same position, like 250 G's on an exchange with high leverage, I don't have that 5% of wiggle room. So I'll make a video about it. You guys will know, but yeah. Just join the Discord. Welcome, guys. Welcome. The link for the Discord is in the description down below. How the only guy real in the business. Never to the show, brother. Glad to be here. I'm glad you're here, man. I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome to everybody that's new. Welcome to everybody that's new. CryptoFace killed it this week, man. Do I show my live trades? No, I don't. I don't. I used to. But, you know. Man, I've come to learn that whether you're right, they hate. They're wrong, you hate. It goes up, they hate. Down, they hate. Yo, Gio, don't get frustrated about the haters. Dude, I'm having a great time, bro. I'm having a great time. When I can start saying I told you so, like, I'm petty. Look, I don't wish harm. I don't say like, oh, I'm so happy you're losing and whatever. But I'm petty. Like, if you say some stupid shit, I'm petty. Like, I'll, you know. Subbed up last night. Yeah. Yo, does anybody know like, I was fucked up yesterday. Guys, I didn't even know he was calling me. I randomly got a call from Face as I was leaving the Uber. I was fucked out of my mind. I don't even remember the talk. Yo, the weekend shorts were fire, bro. Yeah. Yeah, they were. Zoom out on the monthly. Yo, let's talk about Market Cipher real quick. But let's zoom out on the monthly. But let's talk about Market Cipher. Let's talk about MCB. And MCA. We got to talk about Market Cipher here. Yeah, the weekend shorts, man, were freaking crazy. It's been, and how long have I been saying too? It's been a long time since we've seen a nice weekend dump. It was a long time since we've seen a weekend dump. This is my long, by the way. This is my long, but I am 99% out of it. Like, it's not even worth a position, you know? It's not even worth it. But hold on, zoom out to the monthly. Wave 1 is December 69K. Wave ended. ABC. Yeah, I don't really know the Elliott waves. I don't use Elliott waves. I don't know it, but this is what I'm gonna tell you guys, and I said this for so long, man, for so long. Guys, we have bearish spike waves. We have bearish spike waves across cycles. Like, this looks so bad. It looks so bad, man. Looks really, really bad. Really bad. Haters going, hey, yeah. I said some great things on that call. Well, I'm glad you're here, man. I'm glad you're here. And anybody else that's here, I'm glad you guys are here kicking it with me right now. It's good to have you here. Wow, Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a pumpy. All right, let's see what happens in our zone here, because we're approaching our zone. So we're going to wait and see what happens here now. Let's see if we could take a trade. I want to get into a trade. I feel like I want to hit the short button, man. I feel like I want to hit it, but I got to see. I got to see what I got to see here. Let's see what we see. We got still thick money flow right now on Market Cipher. Money flow is coming in hot, so we're not yet. No shorts yet. Is the cam laggy? I don't really know, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, I got to give you guys the disclaimer. All right, guys. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo's an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Please don't listen to me, guys. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to be tall. There you go. There's your disclaimer. There is your disclaimer. Disclaimer. It's my life, my money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Been trying to tell y'all to see this since we hit 73K. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. You guys know how I feel about it. Biddy is pumping. BTCZ is PUMPing. PUMPsing. I look like I should be wearing Gucci slides. I am, bro. I am. No, I'm just kidding. I actually have boxing slides. I got boxing slides. Discord. Yo. Wait, did I go live yesterday in the Discord? Or did I go live like while I was at Veld? Is it laggy? I'm sorry, guys, if it's laggy. I'm sorry. Okay, I want to see what happens if we touch this box. I want to see what happens here. Why did I put my height? Why not? Just as well the bull got banned from chat. He might have made people money after pointing out the seller absorption. Yeah, but the seller absorption happened. Like, look, this is why right now scalping is hard, okay? This is a 13% 5-minute range. Like, this is a 5-minute range. Your seller absorption was down here, you know? And also, to add to that, that same guy has been saying up only on my stream this whole move down. So, literally the entire move down. So, I guarantee you he lost more people money than he made. I guarantee you that. If I saw that weekly market cipher on the 4-hour, we'd all be screaming swing short. Yeah, I have been. We have been. We have been, baby. We have been, baby. The weekly blood diamond. Yeah, people are talking about that. Let's pull up market cipher A. Let's pull up market cipher A. Yeah, I mean, last time that happened. I mean, dude. Doesn't look good, man. Doesn't look good. Tell you that. It doesn't look good. But I think we'll have a little bit more clarity today. I think we will know by today's candle close. This is a very important number. 53K is so important, guys. 53K is super important. Very, very important. Very important. Show you the 10K profit. Dave, I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna hold those cards close to me, man. When I started like getting loud about positions and stuff, or like about P&Ls, that's when I threw all my own rules out the door and I got wrecked. So I'm not gonna share how much I make, but the proof is in the pudding, baby. Proof of work. Let me just give you a wink. I'm just gonna give you a wink, if you know what I'm saying. Dun, dun, dun. Heart on fire. Set my heart on fire. All right, man. Let's see. I want to see. Let's get into a position here. Theoretically, we could also reject from here. I'm looking for shorts here as well. We got, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, we got a nice fair value gap right here. We could reject from anywhere in this fair value gap, but it was a smaller fair value gap up there. FVG. We can reject from here. So let's see. If not that, then we're coming up to 56.5. I joined the public lounge at like 6 a.m. No way. Wait, what was I saying at 6 a.m.? Like 6 a.m. for you, Phil, or for me? No fucking way. Do I post my trades? Sometimes I tell you that I take them. Sometimes I don't, because there's a delay, and sometimes you guys will copy me, and like, I'm not okay with losing your money. I'm okay with losing mine. If it's gonna be a trade, you know? Rip up only. Why'd I draw the box? I drew the box because we got an order block here. This is like range-based supply, essentially. So that's my... And I just extended it a little bit to accommodate a fair value gap. First time here, welcome. Everybody that's here from Face, welcome, guys. Hit the like button for me, please. It helps my algorithm. What's my opinion on ETH? I think, listen, Dave, we can have a party, bro. We can have a party. Condescension is a full-time arrogant, sleazy attitude, and people who practice condescension treat others like inferior idiots. Would that not be all the bears in this chat? Man, like, for me, I've always hated people that are condescending. I hate it, man. I hate it. And you know why? Look, guys, just because I was right in this case, I'm not always right. I was super wrong here. I was bearish as shit at 38K. Okay, I was very bearish at 38K, and I was wrong, and you know, you guys didn't let me forget it, and that's why I just, man, it already sucks losing. Like, losing already sucks. Losing is already ass. Wait, Phil, what did I tell you? Oh my days. Anyway, what's my opinion on ETH? So I mean, look, I posted this thread. Okay, I posted this thread on Twitter. I posted this thread on Twitter, and you know, I've been openly, I gave my position on ETH ahead of time, right? Here it is. So on ETH, like, if you just follow the thread, you know, I even said ETH traders don't look down. Now don't look downer. Now don't look downer. You know, eventually we hit it. So my thoughts on Ethereum are that ETH, I mean, look, Bitcoin and Ethereum always work in tandem. I've always said that. And to be honest, Ethereum was a big part of Ethereum was a big part of why I was extra bearish on Bitcoin, right? They work in tandem. You can almost always, if you're going to short Bitcoin or short it, like, you could almost always short them both interchangeably. Okay? Almost all the time. So when Ethereum came up to its high, so look at Bitcoin, right? Everybody got super bullish on Bitcoin because Bitcoin flipped daily structure, which it did. It did. Okay? It did. But Ethereum didn't. And I was talking about this line on Ethereum at the same point that Bitcoin came up and hit its macro order block. Guys, I made a video and I went live. I was live when I took this trade. This trade up here, I was live. And then I made a video and I even said it was a swing short down to here, okay? Ethereum was looking very weak relative to Bitcoin, but it was also looking very weak in general. And here's my problem with the entire crypto market. And not a lot of you guys are going to like what I'm going to have to say, or maybe you do. But again, I keep things real with you. I made a video on YouTube, and the video was this is my problem with the entire crypto market. And the whole crypto market has been up only. And whenever it's up only and you don't have proper accumulations, then I don't think that it's a healthy move, and it's a sustainable move. Specifically ETH is notorious, okay? ETH is specifically ETH is notoriously known for not sweeping liquidity, so that's nothing new for ETH. But when Bitcoin doesn't sweep liquidity and ETH doesn't sweep liquidity, that is a problem. And just like on a very scalpers, look at this, okay? I'm going to pull up this PO3. And by the way, guys, let me just say, listen, to anybody that's new here, I am not saying that this is going to happen, okay? What I am saying is that anything is possible. That's what you get on this channel. I tell you what is possible, because people say, no, you can only go up because of the inflows. No, you can't only go up. Anything is possible, okay? So look here, right? You had a nice manipulation. Look, I want you to remember this picture. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you. We're going to screenshot this, okay? We're going to screenshot it. We're going to throw it in here so we still have it. And we're going to go macro biddy now, okay? We're going to go macro biddy. And I'm going to find that picture. We're going to go macro now. Remember, this happened on a scalp trade, okay? This happened on a scalp trade. We're going to talk now on a macro level. And I think now, after this dump, we can all get the idea that it can't happen. Anything can happen, okay? So what do we have here? Well, what this even is whenever you have a range and then you have a manipulation above the range, which is exactly what we had, which is why I screenshotted it and I kept it on the chart, right? Whenever you have that, your target becomes the low, especially when you have liquidity. Guys, you know my favorite thing in the whole trading is liquidity, okay? So now if we zoom out, we come to the weekly time frame. What are we doing on Bitcoin? We're not pumping, we're not dumping, we're literally just in a macro range. But what do we have here? What if this is your range? And this is not going to be picture perfect. Then once again, I'm not saying that it's going to happen. But what if this is your range? That's your range. What if this, I mean, it's not picture perfect, is your manipulation event? What if? What if? I'm not saying it's going to happen, but what if? And then you get your expansion to the downside. Right? What if? Because they don't look that different. They're across cycles. If you pull up Market Cipher, you got money flow and momentum wave divergences across cycles. This is bearish as shit. These are spike waves. And you have all this liquidity. You have all that. All this. All that. So I'm not saying that it's going to happen. I am not at all saying that it's going to happen. I'm not saying short your whole account right now. But what I am saying, and I think that I've proved it this week, is that anything is possible. Anything is possible. It can do whatever it wants to do. And so this is a serious scenario that I'm considering. So what's my thought on Ethereum? My thought on Ethereum is the same thing as my thought on Bitcoin. And that look at Ethereum, guys. Look at ETH. Since 2022, look at that liquidity. Would I be shocked if we see less than $1,000 Ethereum? I would not be shocked. I would not. I would not be shocked. Can it happen? Yes. Is it going to happen? No. Does it have to happen? No. Okay? It doesn't have to happen. But what if it does? That's what I'm saying. Because here, where did this guy, the Jedi, go? Yeah, Jedi and Pikachu told me that I was fucking stupid and I was fucking crazy for even taking this short. Right? Even taking this one, they said I was stupid for. So that's the difference, guys. I don't tell you the stupid shit that everybody else tells you. This is 100% possible. And guys, I'm going to tell you this. Look how fast we came down. Look how fast we came down. Don't think that we can't come down way lower. Don't say that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Can't say you can't. Cannot say you can't. Yes, you can. So we'll see, man. Look, that's the macro of it. You know, I'm going to scalp, I'm going to long, and I'm going to short every step of the way. 100%, you know, like we do on the channel. But I think the market is not looking good. I don't think the market is looking good. I think that the ES is super overextended. I think that the NQ is super overextended. I think that gold is super overextended. We have a nice short on gold. We're short on gold right now. I didn't short it, but we called the short. I don't trade gold, but some people in my VIP wanted it. I wouldn't be surprised if gold comes and takes these lows. I wouldn't be surprised if gold makes its way down to 2222. Wouldn't be surprised. Would not be surprised. You know, USDT dominance is up. I said it. I'm bullish on dominance. I think dominance is going to continue to rise. If dominance rises while Bitcoin drops, your alts are going to bleed. I've said it many times. I've said it many, many times. So we'll see, man. We'll have to wait and see what happens here. We will have to wait and see. But there's a serious case for things like not looking great. And you know what? You know what, guys? You can't even be upset at it. You can't even be upset. Because we've literally been up only for 2 years. Like, you really can't be upset at that. You know, I've been open about, I don't think we're going to hit 100K this cycle. I don't, personally. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think we're going to. So, All right, let's come back to our scalping stuff. You literally can draw a PO3 trade just on previous cycle as well without including the top of the cycle as a proof of work that it can happen. Yeah, exactly. And you know what's funny too? Look, I'm gonna show you it the other way, because you had a PO3 the other way as well, right? If we come back on the weekly and we hide this because we don't need this picture anymore. Look at what we had, right? What did we have here? You had your range. What did we have here on the low? Even on like a more internal, like look. Even at the lows, right? You had your range. You had a range. You had your range. You had your manipulation of the range at the lows, right? Trapping traders into thinking that it's going to continue lower. Manipulation. And then, I mean, really, your target is the expansion, which is the high, which obviously hit. But you could even take it further, and on a macro scale, say this, right? Range. This whole thing was your manipulation. And where's your target? Your target is the expansion to the top of the range, and we hit that. You know? So this played out. Why can't it play out the other way? You know, why not? So, yeah. We'll have to see. And then guys, like, look, what I'm saying right now is objective on Market Cipher. Objectively, we have a monthly bearish divergence. Objectively, we have spike wave divergences, which if you're new here, I developed a... Actually, let me just say this real quick, guys. If you're new here... By the way, actually, before I get to that, somebody told me... Oh, man. Am I about to get copyrighted? No, I'm not. Somebody told me that today my voice, because I was fucked up last night. Man, if you guys were here from CryptoFace, I was fucked up on CryptoFace's stream yesterday. But somebody told me that I sound like Miley Cyrus today. Listen. Hold on, look. Wait, let me make it louder. Hold on. There we go. No, why is it lagging now?
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
The journey is usually the part that you remember. The journey is usually the part.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways. Anyways, if we go to my channel, friendos, anybody that's new here from Market Cipher, I very highly recommend you watch my Market Cipher playlist. I very, 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 very highly recommend it. The journey is in. I'm going to send it right now here. Go watch it. I have my own terms. Believe me, go watch it. I'm biased, but go watch it. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, let's get into our scalping though. But you had one at the lows as well, right? Why not? Why can't we have one now? We definitely can. Joe, do I use RSI? You know what? I'm not... I flip-flop between the RSI. I flip-flop because I don't think it's that useful. I think you already have enough information with Market Cipher that you don't need the RSI. You don't need it. It's just too much noise. Anyway, we rejected from that order block, or not the order block, the fair value gap, and I actually took the short. I did take the short. I will show you guys my short. This is it. So I did take it. We're chilling. Why the heck Miley sounded like a dude? Yeah, I don't know. This chick, like, maybe she's taking steroids or some shit. Oh, man. Yeah, they are emotional. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so we got a little something there, right? This was just to stop out these guys, right? We had liquidity right above here. I did mention this morning. And I know, guys, I'm sorry. We should be good now. Can we get a sound check now? Are we better? Yeah, man, these $1,000, $2,000 moves are freaking insane. This is the worst. Listen, I'm telling you guys right now, if you don't know what you're doing, like, don't trade today. Don't. It's not worth it. If you lose this low, let me check my Bollinger Bands real quick. If you lose this low, we can actually fall pretty hard. We can fall pretty hard. I'm not taking profit yet, but I might secure like half of it. I might take half profit. I'm gonna see what happens here. Because we still have thick money flow. We know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. And we also know that we got this box up here that I'm looking at. I would rather come up higher and short that. This was just like a little baby scalp off the fair value gap. That's fine. That's fine. Music is gone. Ba ba da na 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 na. Bro, please explain an order block. I have boot camps. I got boot camps on order blocks, bro. The order blocks are the only thing I don't talk about on the channel. If you want to know more information about them, though, I can show you the link. And I promise you, look at me. Look at me. I'm looking at you. Look at me. I promise you, this is a promise, that this is going to be the greatest $100 that you're going to spend. I promise you it. And you know what? I don't need to shill the boot camps. I don't need to. My people will shill it for me. I don't need to. I promise you that's the best $100. I promise you. Geo, why am I shorting at the bottom of a range? I'm not. We're not at the bottom of a range. We're at the exact top of a range. What do you mean? What do you mean, brother? We're literally at the top of the range. Daily bull div. No. Nope. Not yet. Not yet, broski. Not yet. This can easily just do this. And I actually think it will. I don't think we're going to get a bull div here. I don't think so. Bro, take the market structure. The market structure. Look, I don't need to shill it, man. You guys are going to shill it for me. Listen, I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab water. I need freaking Halls, dude. I need Halls to sponsor me. I was fucked up. Yo, listen, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go get water real quick. To anybody that's new here from Crypto Faces channel, thank you guys for being here. Drop me a face emoji so that I know that this is your first time here. I'm going to go get water. I'll be back in 60 seconds. Okay? Maybe get like a cucumber or something too. Kind of hungry. I'll be right back. I'm still in my short. I'll be right back.
Try living in a world without colors. Every day going no, nothing other. But you don't really want to be gone. You just wanna feel like you belong. Is this just me? Cause I feel like this is not how it should be. But the conclusion is this: if you were to go, you would be missed. You would be missed. You will be missed. You will be missed.
Okay, how's the short doing? How are we doing? Bro's taking the cucumber. Should we hit the money song? Just found you, assuming I learned from White Phoenix. Yes. So, okay. I learned from Phoenix. I learned from Jay. I learned from Tino. Those are like my three influences. But, and I always use smart money. I always did. Like, I followed Tino. You know, I use vector candles. I talk about market makers. I talk about liquidity all the time. However, and I had my own rules and whatever, but really like Phoenix is he's a different breed, man. Okay, let's get the money song. Let's get the money song. Phoenix is a, like, full credit where credit is due, like 100%. He really elevated my trading, truly. I can't even deny that. Absolutely, he did. So shouts out to Phoenix. I've never had the pleasure of speaking to him, but I would like to one day. All right, let's hit the money song, man. The real ones. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yo, you guys know how we used to do it. We used to do it. Should we get on the treadmill? Let me get on the treadmill. By the way, I did have the cucumber. I did.
Let's get money.
Drew, we're going to talk about how I fell in the hole. Thank you for asking. I can't believe I fell in a fucking hole. I literally fell in a hole. Can you imagine? I'm 29 years old. A grown-ass man that's 5'2" and 3/4" falls in a hole in front of a Colombian girl. And she started laughing because I fell into a hole.
Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money,
Motherfucker, get money.
Let's get money. Money. Motherfucker. Let's get money. Let's get money.
Motherfucker, get money. Hold on. I gotta figure my windows out here. What's it called? Well, yo, these comments are really funny. Okay, hold on. 7-year-old loves this song. That's funny as hell. Which indicator do I use? I use Trader's Reality main. Shouts out to Tino. He has a YouTube channel called Trader's Reality. Go watch him. He's fire. I learned all of my market psychology from him. Market makers and how if price is rising, it's actually the sellers that are in control, not the buyers. Learned it all from him. I'm at least 5'8", bro. I am 5'2" and 3/4. Look, let me show you from yesterday. Show you a video from yesterday. Money, motherfucker, get money. Look, I'm a small dude, bro. Like, I'm literally 5'2". Let's see if I have a picture or something. Oh, I didn't really take anything yesterday. I was fucked up, man. I was so fucked up. Who knows the timestamp that I came on Crypto Face's stream? I want to watch it. I'm gonna find my height. Let me find my height for you. Perspectives. Get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get motherfucker, get money, baby. Money, motherfucker, get money. Yo, did you guys fuck with the new intro? How fire was the new intro? How fire? Wait, check the intro. Okay, we're not going to do that again. All right, we're up 400 bones right now on this short. 400 bones. We're going to wait to see what happens at this line. I can't find my height, guys. You're going to have to take my word for it. Vector's the best thing on the planet. I agree. It's a hack, bro. Vectors are a hack. Okay, depending on what happens here, depending on what happens here will determine what I'm going to do with my trade here. If I'm going to TP or not. Depends on this channel right now. How deep was the hole? Yeah, no, it was like, dude, I'm bleeding. I fucking, dude, I'm bleeding from it. Like, I was fucked up too. Like, that shit hurt. Dude. That shit fucking hurt. That shit hurt, bro. Still racist. God, welcome back, bro. Why did you leave the Discord? Phoenix doesn't have a channel that I know of anyway. You on your channel, loving it so far. Been following Tino since 2020. Dude, I used to watch Tino. I used to watch Tino's live streams like literally all night. So for the ones that are new, okay, do me a solid, please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. But I've been like the ones that are new. Oh. Miley Cyrus. Wait, is the music still loud? Oh no, we're good now, right? We're chilling. Should we get some fun songs? Should we go back to our old ways? Moth to a Flame and shit? Okay, so I used to watch Tino for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. Hours and hours I used to watch him. And I used to fall asleep to him. And not because he was boring, but because I would stay up so late just watching him nonstop. I had a playlist. I did like, you know how you can get like a queue going? I had a playlist. I had a queue. And I was like, I would just watch him literally the whole night. And I would fall asleep to his voice. I swear to God. And I just like, man, Tino, like the whole market psychology thing, the whole vector candle thing, man, it's very simple, right? If price is rising, who's in control? The buyers or the sellers? 95% of people say buyers are in control. No, buyers are not in control. Sellers are in control if price is rising. What happened to our Miley Cyrus? Yes, I am in Toronto. New Nexus graphic. Yo, it's fire, right? It's fire. Okay, I'm gonna TP here. I'll reshort if I need to, but I'm gonna TP. We're gonna take out. How much should we take out? We're gonna take out. We're gonna take out 50. Take out 50% of it. Even though we got the break, but I'm worried about this vector candle here, right? Because they can come back up and reclaim that. And I'm also watching for this short zone here, up here. So I'm gonna be watching for both, because we can come back up here for sure. Money flow is still thick. Money flow is still thick. We could get this. We could get it. We'll have to wait and see. Where are our other targets? Here's a potential long, potentially, depending on what happens next. Here's your potential long as well, depending on what happens next. We will have to wait and see. But I did take out 50%. My stop is at the entry. You know, quick $400. Why not? Why not? I'm also working my way up to having like huge positions, but I'm scared of it. Not scared of it, but sorry guys, I'm hot, so you got to deal with it. Don't let your girls watch the TV. What type of music is it? It's techno. You guys can barely hear it. Went to sleep listening to his master classes. Man, Tino is a fucking G. I'm like trying to get Tino's attention. I'm like trying to like, I want to collab with Tino. I've been trying to do that, but he's you know, he's busy. He's a busy dude. He doesn't know who I am, but that's okay. I know who he is. So that's okay. All right. Tina's the only one I feel like is scolding you for not knowing shit. Tino is something, man. That man changed my life. Tino pretty much turns the normal trading upside down. Yeah. Well, listen, 90% of 95% of traders lose, and like why? Why is that? Why is that a number? Why is that a thing? Right? Why is that a thing? Bro's build is so weird. Wait, why? What's wrong with my build? What's wrong with my build? And yeah, I'm Middle Eastern, bro. OnlyFans. Okay, you guys are being fucking weird, okay? Now look, you did this. Now I have to tell your girls that they can watch again. No problem. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome, ladies. Now you're allowed to watch again. Tino pretty much, yeah. You saw it, yeah. Why are sellers in control when price is rising? Okay, Elmo, and to anybody else that's here. Sellers are in control when price is rising. Buyers are in control when price is dropping. Why? Very simple. In order for you to buy, somebody has to sell. Yeah, I'll give you the link for Tino here real quick. In order for you to buy, somebody has to sell, right? In order for you to buy, somebody has to sell. In order for somebody to sell, somebody has to buy. Which means, what does that mean? That means that if price is falling, the only reason that price can even fall, that's Tino. Go check him out. The only reason price can even fall is because people are buying. So look, you want to buy one apple, okay? But you can't buy the apple. You can't buy the apple if I'm not selling the apple, right? You can't buy the apple if I'm not selling the apple. No matter how many dollars you have, you cannot buy it unless I'm selling it. So when price is dropping, in order for somebody to sell, somebody has to buy. People think, oh, people are selling because price is dropping. But in order for somebody to sell, somebody has to buy. So if there is nobody buying, then price cannot drop. So who's in control? The buyers are in control as the price is falling. Because you can't sell if somebody doesn't buy. And when price is rising, you can't buy if nobody is selling. So when price is rising, who is in control? The sellers are in control. If they stop selling to you, you can't buy anymore. Okay, catch up now. My girl gonna walk in and ask what the hell you watching. Yeah, I strip every time I take profit. Oh man. If traders don't exercise, we could rot. Yeah, man. 100%. Bro doesn't have post notifications on. Just got here. Anyone shorting? Yeah, I'm short right now, bro. This is the I'm short from up here. I'm short from this fair value gap. I just took out 50% on this line, and this is a 5-minute break. So let's see if we can make our way down. I would like to see. I would like us to, I mean, look, realistically, this could be the high to come back and make a new low. But I would like us to, at the very least, come back down to 52. That would be nice. Yeah, it's all about the bids and the ask. Bro, they're gonna laugh. They're gonna laugh when you're short. They're gonna laugh when you're long. They're gonna laugh when you're right. They're gonna laugh when you're wrong. Oh! Did you guys just... All right, I'm gonna... Hold on. Bro, they're gonna laugh when you're short. They're gonna laugh when you're long. They're gonna laugh when you're right. They're gonna laugh when you're wrong. I should be a fucking rapper. A poet. Poetry. What's up, brother? How are you, my friend? Kamayu, it's been a hot minute. How are you? How you been? How you doing? Hey, Joe, just got Market Cipher. Do I have videos explaining? Yes, I do. I do, my friend. And by the way, I'm just going to say this. And, I mean, no shade here, but I think that the Market Cipher tutorials on the internet are not the best. And I think that I help clarify that. So, what we're going to do is we're going to send you the link so that you can click the link and you can watch this whole playlist that I got. This. And if you iron out these little details like this one mistake that I'm about to tell you, you're going to become a lot more profitable trader. If you're new here, welcome. Algorithm market makers selling and buying because it's retail that are selling on the way down. Exactly. That's it exactly. And that's what vector candles are, right? Like when you see a green vector candle, that's market. That is retail. That is retail market longing, right? They're FOMOing. Oh my God, we're at the bottom. Go. But who's long? Remember, in order for somebody to buy, somebody has to sell. So because of that, who's selling here? Market makers are selling, right? Who's when you have red vector candles to the downside, retail, you are market shorting because FOMO, right? FOMO. So your market makers are limit longing, and then they come up and realize a return on their limit longs. Quite simple. Quite simple. Quite simple. Quite simple. This is copied from CryptoFace. I don't know what that even means. No idea what you just said. Why are my blue boxes? Yeah, they're potential. They're points of interest. You know, we'll have to wait and see if we get there. But I mean, look at this, guys. Like this look. We're just trading the range right now. We're at the high of the range. You deviated the high of the range. You filled this fair value gap. You have every reason to go down. You just confirmed that this would be an SFP if it was like a better looking range. You just confirmed it with this break. And I mean, technically the target of that, I mean, nothing's ever going to be 100%. And that's why these points of interest are places that you should be looking to take profit if you're doing scalps like this, right? Keep in mind, this is a 5-minute range, but this 5-minute range is 13%. So we could get some really nice moves here, but you got to be careful though. You got to be careful. And I'm also looking for up here as well. So I'm already in my position. I already took my short. I already took profit. I already have my stop loss at the entry. So I'm chilling. Okay. And for the ones that, you know, here, this was the short that I took earlier on stream. This was it. That was my entry. 5524, whatever. Okay. That's my entry. So, theoretically though, the dump doesn't need to be over, right? We could find our way back down. We have these vector candles that we can come and recover. So we'll just have to wait and see, right? Whenever you're at the high of the range, which we're at the high of the range right now, you should be looking to short. Whenever you're at the low of the range, you should be looking to long. That's it. Vectors are volume and speed. The only way they form is the market maker acts on their order books. Yeah, it's tick volume, the number of transactions that happen in the candle. 55.2 was a big volume gap. I'm short with you, brother. I am short with you. 55248 is my entry. 55248. So we'll see what happens. I did take profit. Yeah, I took profit on this 5-minute low. I took profit here. We're watching Market Cipher. We could get a nice push up. Look, these vectors can come and get recovered. Absolutely. 100%. These guys can come and get recovered. Right? That's why we took profit. We secured the bag, stop loss at entry, and now we're chilling. Now we'll see what happens, right? Now we will see what happens. But we're at the high of the range. So, you know. What is SFP? SFP is it stands for swing failure pattern. So it's essentially, it's basically a liquidity grab. Like in simple terms, it's a liquidity grab. So if I come to the daily time frame and you see this, right? This was your high, and then you came up, you grabbed the liquidity and you closed below. That's an SFP. Here we SFP'd the SFP, so we grabbed more liquidity. This is why I was giga short, and this is why on stream last week I shorted here. I shorted here, and I even said it was a swing trade up here. This was given for free on YouTube with my targets and everything. Everything was given. This whole dump was given. But that's what an SFP is. Basically, it's a liquidity grab. Right? It is a liquidity grab. When you have a lot of liquidity, see if I can find like a good example. When you get a lot of these are all SFPs. When you have a lot of liquidity being built up, I'm sure I could find out on a smaller time frame easier. We've been so volatile though that like there hasn't really been many SFPs, but let's see if I can find one. Like a clean one. I want to find a really nice one. Okay, this is a nice SFP, right? So here on the 1 hour time frame, you were in your range. You built up liquidity for 2 days, okay, in the range. On the 1 hour, here was your high. You swept the high, right? SFP swing failure pattern. You swept the high, grab that liquidity, and then down you go, right? So that's what it is. How did I come up with the range? I'm on the 10 minute, 5 minute, whatever. I guess it's looking like a 10-minute range now. And, you know, I just drew it out. You can see it. Like, it's right here. This is scalps, guys. Like, people think, you know, if I short, like someone, for example, was like, why would I short the low of a macro range? Like, I'm scalping. You know, if I'm shorting here to get out here, like, there's nothing. That's fine. You know? I bet I feel amazing today. Thank you, man. Yeah, I feel good, bro. I feel good. I feel good. It's different when you survive these giga dumps and you know that they're happening. Like, it's one thing making money, and that's cool. Like, there's no money like short money. But survival, the survival part of it, even if you didn't make money, as long as you didn't get fucking rinsed, you should be happy. Because this game is a game of survival. Right? The nice P&Ls and the big money and everything you're seeing is all fun and nice and dandy, but the world doesn't work that way. It's not always that simple. Hey Geo, is that order blocks and breaker blocks Lux Algo? I don't use Lux Algo. I don't use any indicators for my order blocks. New here, someone guard you, SFP. Is it an inducement? Well, it induces traders into thinking that there's going to be a breakout, and then it's a fake out. I absolutely like your trading style, and I got some new ideas to add to your style. There you go, man. Listen, hang around. Like, look, the way that I trade is not for everybody, and just like the way that you trade is not for everybody. You know, you just take bits and pieces of the best. I took bits and pieces of the best. I am a byproduct of Jay. I am a byproduct of Tino. I am a byproduct of myself with the market cipher. I taught myself the market cipher stuff. To be honest with you, I taught myself. I couldn't find any content that worked for me. So that's why I made a playlist. And I'm a byproduct of Phoenix, and that's it, you know? Just take the best, take the its and bits from the people around you that do well, and, you know, create your own. I'm definitely not the same trader I was a year ago, I'll tell you that. And you guys know that. The ones that have been here, you guys know that, you know? I'm not the same trader. You just see, you evolve, you develop. Short again off the 5-minute order block. Yeah, I mean, if I see something, you could, but market cipher is worrying me right now for the shorts, right? You could think that, like, you could try it. You could try it. You have a very clear invalidation. It's basically the same fair value gap, but I just think, like, I do think it's a little bit sketchy because we have this guy up here. You know, we got this guy up here, and right now market cipher, like, though it could do that and you just get this, right? You could probably, like, reject off of this fair value gap potentially, right? Like, you might just get that, but it's sketchy because of this zone above us. And keep in mind, like, you know, like I said, guys, if you don't know what you're doing today, Today is definitely not the time to be trading. Truly, honestly. The market is way too emotional right now. The market's way too hot right now. If you don't know what you're doing, like, and I don't mean this in a rude way, in a condescending way, please don't take it that way. Genuinely, if you don't know what you're doing, you should very much so just stay clear from it. You don't need to make money every day. You don't need to. You don't need to. It's better to wait for the nice setups. You don't need it. Okay, don't think you're missing out on shit. You can always get in. You can get in anywhere. You could pull this range up anywhere. You could pull up a 2-minute range and trade that 2-minute range. I could trade this range if I want to. You don't need to FOMO. Is it possible that we've manipulated out of the 60 range to the downside, and we will be going for the liquidity at the top of the range within 30 to 45 days? I think it's unlikely. Anything is possible, man. I'm not going to sit here and say that it's not possible, but I think it's unlikely. I think it's more likely for I mean, look, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. You know, there is a lot of liquidity above us. 100%. 100% there is. And 100% we could be back up at the highs, you know? There's a lot of liquidity at 74K, 100%. But, you know, when you build your narrative and whatever else, the market is shook right now, man. I'll tell you this, if we're coming up, in my opinion, it's not going to be 30 to 45 days. No way. No shot. The market is way too hurt right now to have a bounce to 30 to 45K. This to me looks very bearish now. Now we look bearish. When we were getting this slow grind down, this looked bullish because we were getting some nice liquidity being built up, right? This is aggressive, guys. This is an aggressive move. This looks more bearish than bullish. And so if it is going to end up being bullish, hold on. If it is going to end up being bullish, then I think that we're going to have to range. You're going to have to, guys. Look, the reason I was so bearish anyway was because down here, we never had an accumulation. We did not have an accumulation. We didn't get it. If you don't get an accumulation here, there's no chance. There's no chance you're going to go to all-time high. You have to accumulate. We need to spend time at these lows. The more it does this garbage where it just comes back up, like this, even this garbage, this looked like shit. This was a very easy short. Very, very easy short. It needs to accumulate. We need this picture. This is my opinion. We need this picture down here. Okay? You need this. You want, in my opinion, you want any shot about coming higher for real? Any chance of that? You need to see this. We need to start getting these ranges lower. We need to start accumulating at the lows. It can't be these quick bounces. It can't. It's not sustainable. We need to start accumulating. We need to see this at the lows. We need to see this. We need a time down here. Not back in the 60s. You need time here. We need time here. If you're going to have any chance of going higher, we need to accumulate. That's my opinion. I don't see it. I don't see it. It's never the time to trade if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, I know, but like people will still FOMO and stuff. And what I'm saying is like, you know, how many people woke up, saw that like, oh my God, Bitcoin is back up 5K. Like, let's long quickly with the low is in. Okay, but like what? You're gonna, where's your stop gonna go? Like you're gonna put your stop here? Because that's probably gonna get hit again. I don't think it's done. I don't think we're done. So, you know, learn from everyone and create your own rules. Watched you for a year and it's been a great journey. Well, I'm glad that you're here with me on my journey. Yeah, man, I'm a very different trader than I was a year ago. Very different trader. And so, you know, I think we all are, you know, you go through The market is like is seasonal, you know. It's all seasonal. The people that have only been in crypto for the last year have only ever experienced up only, right? If you weren't here in the bear market, you don't know. That's why I was aggressively cautious, right? I was cautious. There's seasons to it. You learn like it anyway. Weekly moving averages closed above 60K. I'll tell you my okay, so I made a video saying that my biggest problem with the whole crypto market, and that's basically what we were talking about now, and now we've dumped, okay? Like this was, you guys were warned about this. So I'll tell you my problem now. Now I'm gonna tell you my problem. Look at the daily time frame, okay? I'll tell you the daily time frame, okay? If we pull up our EMAs, for the ones that want to talk about EMAs, let's talk about EMAs, okay? And this is something, man, like, look at this. And this doesn't have to happen. Nothing about trading is guaranteed, okay? Nothing is guaranteed. It's not like that. Can't say anything is for sure or not for sure, but we can't say that it can't happen, okay? But look at what my scare is. Now I'm worried. I'm worried, guys. I'm worried still. Aside from market Cipher looking like shit, everything looking like shit, in my opinion, everything is overextended. We're in a bubble. That's my opinion, okay? Forget the opinion. This is concerning. The 800 EMA, the 800 EMA on the daily time frame has not been tested since October. This is the definition of literally up only. You know what I'm saying? The ones that haven't been around that may not understand the emotions, why I've been screaming, you're too bullish, you're too bullish, you're too bullish. How many people lost their homes on this drop? I hope not, but I know people did, you know? And so this is worrisome. Guys, this is worrisome that you haven't touched the daily EMA in a year. In a year. A year. Well, let me see how long. Oh, we don't even have the 800 EMA for the last cycle. Let's try to project it. It would probably be like that, right? Something like that. I would have imagined that the COVID dump would have hit the EMA. Let's pretend it was from this point. I mean, it doesn't have to come back for it. It really doesn't. I guess we don't have any historic data, but this is kind of scary, guys. Like a year of not hitting the EMA. Like that's what I'm saying, you know? Like that's okay. Let me put it to you in perspective. That's how overextended we are. That we were in this upper range, which we're, by the way, we're still in the range. We haven't even started dumping yet. This isn't even a crash. By the way, this is not even a crash. We've been up here for almost 5 months. Okay? So we've been up here for almost half of a year. And the 800 EMA on the daily time frame is still another 20% away. That's how overextended we are. It's really worrisome, man. It's really worrisome. Really, really worrisome. All right. Let's see what happens here. Oh, put it on Bitstamp? Yeah. Bitstamp. Oh, whoops. I clicked the wrong one. Let's check it. Let's check it. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. So I was right. Basically, the COVID thing. And then they stayed above it until this point. So they did hit it. They stayed above it for 2 years. Dude, like, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's kind of crazy. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see, man. We'll see. But I'm keeping my eye out on this. Keeping my eye out on it. You know, I'm keeping my eye on it. Plenty of vectors between 15 and 30K that could be recovered. Yeah, I've been talking about that for quite some time as well. The vector candles below are a little bit concerning. This is what happens when you don't sweep liquidity. And guys, we have a lot of liquidity beneath us. We have a lot. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but don't say that it can't. That's all I'm saying. You know? The Nexus profit. Man, guys, shout out to the Nexus. We fucking killed it this week. Dude, we killed it this week. This was the best week that we had. Yeah, I drew the EMA without seeing it. Thoughts on prop firms? Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about this. I talked about this already a couple times on the channel, on the stream right now. But the only prop firm that I've ever used is Breakout. This is my funded account. It is live currently. I haven't taken a trade since I've gotten funded because I was getting fucked up all weekend. But my next, like, really clear as day trade, or my next Nexus trade is I'm gonna do it on this. So far, so good, man. I have no complaints with it, and the only reason I even got behind it is because CryptoFace's name is behind it, and he's like me in a sense that he doesn't put his name behind bullshit. You know, he has a following, obviously, and if he doesn't, like, he doesn't put his name behind shit because he knows that he has influence. So that's the only reason I even trusted it. I blindly trusted it because of him. Also, like, if shit went wrong, like, man, like, Face got my back, but nothing, I don't think anything would go wrong. But yeah, I if you don't have capital, if you don't have decent amount of capital, we'll say, okay, decent capital, and it's all relative, right? Like, there's different plans for it. There's different plans, but if you don't have decent capital, we'll say, I recommend it, and I'll tell you why. For two reasons. I'm making a breakout video soon, by the way. Like, within this week, I'm making a breakout video, but for two reasons that I think breakout is good. Number one, if you don't have capital, you can, like, get behind having capital, right? If you have only 60 bucks, you can buy it, pass your funding, and then you have access to 25,000 because it's 5,000 that you get on 5x leverage. So you have $25,000 of firepower with only 60 bucks if you know what you're doing. But more importantly than that, it actually teaches you how to be fucking disciplined because you can't break the rules. Like, you have no choice but to be disciplined. So yeah, that's my opinion. That is my opinion. Jason 0, Trader Geo 1. Nah, man. Nah, Jay is, I learned from the best, man. I happened to be right this time, but there are plenty of times where he's right and I'm wrong. And then there are plenty of times when we're both right, and there are plenty of times when we're both wrong. So, you know, no shade. The Nexus Prophet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, Geo, CryptoFace recommended you to watch. Stayed up all night watching Face. He killed it. Yeah, I know. I know. Welcome, bro. Welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Guys, do me a solid, man. Every day on the channel, I'll teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I'm here for a bigger purpose. I like to help people. That's why I'm here. That's why I've been doing this for 1.5 years. I don't need to. I can just trade and sail off into the abyss. But I believe that I am on this earth to help as many people as I can. And that's why I believe that somehow the cards all fell into place for me to do this and reach out to each and every one of you. So I appreciate you guys being here. Please help me spread the word further by hitting the like button for me, because I really do put in the time and I put in the work for you guys. I try my best. Even when times are hard and people are coming at me because I'm the only one in the industry that's bearish. But hey, I'd rather be bearish and miss pumps than overly bullish and lose all my money. No, I know, bro. I know it's a joke. You're good. By the way, it's hot, guys. I'm sorry. We got to go tarps off. I'm, like, too lazy to go get a shirt, so sorry. Yeah, dude. I am almost at 10K. Yo, CryptoFace pumped my subs yesterday. Dude, it all happened so fast. Like, I was in the Uber and he called me I didn't even know I was on stream. He just called me randomly. I had no idea. So he called me and I was fucked up. And then all of a sudden I got so many subscribers and I got so many Twitter followers too. Like all of a sudden. And I didn't even know what was going on. Dude, I was like incoherent. I went back and I watched it later and I was like, damn. I'm like, damn. Let's go. What are we at now? I don't even know what we're at. Best exchange is best for us over protected US people. This is what I think, okay? For exchanges. For your exchanges, I use MEXC. I believe MEXC is the best exchange and it's been the best exchange and by far. This is what I believe, okay? But there's another exchange that I use and it is the not replacement. I think it's the same company as MEXC and it's called KSEX. And this is it. Like when I tell you it's the same, it literally looks the exact same. Okay. So take a look at this. Hold on. I'm going to make a video on this as well. This looks the same. This is KSEX. It is the exact same as MEXC. And so I use this for like the non-KYC people because on MEXC you gotta KYC now. But KSEX, anyways, the links are in the description down below. But those are the only two exchanges that I use. I'm dropping Blowfin. Blowfin is fucking shit. I'm dropping Blowfin. Fuck Blowfin. Dropping them. KSEX and MEXC. And then now Breakout. Do I make calls in my VIP Discord? I do. So let's take you on a little journey here on the VIP Discord. Okay, let's take you down a little journey. So I have my BTC updates. Okay, I got my BTC updates. I got my so here's what I do. Let me tell you guys what we do here in the Nexus. Okay, I got my every morning we do Bitcoin and we do an altcoin. Okay, every morning I give my levels, I give my ideas, I give my whatever. Okay, then when we get there in real time, I update this bitch like all the time. Okay, so the last 2 days I haven't been updating. I don't trade weekends, but I was also getting absolutely fucked out of my mind the last 2 days. I was obliterated. But usually in this chat, in this one, you can get somewhere upwards of like 5 to 10, 15 even on the good days, updates per day in live time, right? So we already have the ideas. We already have the plan. And then in real time, I'm updating you guys like 10 times a day. Okay. I do quick 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute video updates. I tell you exactly what I want to see. I tell you what to look for. I tell you that this happened perfectly. For example, I tell you exactly what I want to see. And then I tell you when I see it. I don't tell you I'm in. I tell you where the profits are. I don't tell you I'm in. But I tell you literally everything else. I literally tell you this is what I want to see. And then I say, guys, I saw it. Or it's happening now. I just don't say I'm going in. But basically, yeah. Okay? So that's what you get. And then obviously you get the VIP chat. We're doing some new things. My official Nexus announcement will come out. Later. Like later in the end of the summer. But we're working on big things that will help you be held accountable. And we got strong minds in there. And yeah. So that's what you get in the VIP. And we do it daily and you get so many updates, man. I do. And by the way, I do it at all times of the day. Like I'm updating at 4 a.m., 3 a.m. too. So no, I don't have beef against Blowfin. I just like, man, I don't know. The liquidity is not great. The fees are shit. I have exchanges every day. Literally every day a new exchange tries to contact me. And my answer is the same every single time. Nothing can compete with MEXC's fees. Nothing is even coming close to MEXC's fees. So why would I even consider I might perhaps move to Bybit because Bybit gives good levels. And I chart on Bybit. But also I've become less of I need to try to catch the exact wick kind of trader. And I don't even use limit orders. Like, limiting in is a fucking scam. I market in 95% of the time. I'm not going in huge, like, crypto face $1 million positions. I'm not doing that. I don't have that kind of money. So I'm going in market. I'm marketing in 95% of the time. And on MEXC and KSEX, the fee for that is way cheaper. So I don't know why I would ever even use another exchange, you know? We need a Jason Casper pump wrap. Listen, I'm gonna show you guys this. If you guys are here from Jay, let me show you this one. If you've been around, you've definitely seen this one, but I'm gonna show you one. Let me show you one. Because I hit the pump song. He came into my live stream, and he's like, yo, we need the pump song, bro. And I'm like, send me the link, bro. And this was it. So let me show you this. This was great, man. This was great. Jay's a great dude. Look at this. Let me turn the volume up. So he came into the stream. He's like, yo, we need the pump song. I'm like, I got you. Check it. We are gonna pump the price. Are you ready?
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We are gonna pump the price.
One more time for good measure.
Are you ready?
Because it wasn't loud for me.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Yo, Pepper, bro. How is it that the only stream you come in the last fucking like year? No, that's not true. You come in when I'm not wearing a shirt. Every day I wear a shirt, and the only time because it's hot as fuck down here, because I told you guys I was getting fucked up all weekend and I accidentally left the heater on. So the basement is like hot as fire down here. Anyway, no, I've never used BitGet. I have never used BitGet. Okay, guys, the short is doing well, baby. The short is doing us well right now. The short is doing us well. It's doing us wonders. Did it work to pump it? Bro, I don't know, man. Every time this guy does the pump song, it dumps. I don't remember what it did that one time, but... What's up, Pepper? How are you, my friend? I need to cut this fucking wristband off of me. How long we been live for? 2 hours? Going to pump. Yes, we're going to dump. Do you guys think up or down right now? I think down. I'm trying to lay. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I'm biased. I'm in a position, so I want it to go down. You're chilling? That's good, man. How's mom doing? Is she good? Is she chilling? We could start a drinking game with how much you dropped that bomb, the F-bomb. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Man, it's hot. Guys, I told you I was like drinking and whatever all weekend. And then I left the heater on, which is a fire hazard. It's a fire hazard. It's a fire hazard. Yeah, I'm at the beach. That's why I have the background not shown, because I don't want you guys to get jealous. But I'm literally surfing right now in real time. as we speak. As we speak. Yeah, I'm watching 56, man. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. Don't you worry. I'm watching it. Mom is doing well. That's good, man. That's good. Good. Dude, if Trump loses the election, where will we see Bitcoin? I have no idea. Don't know. Yeah, okay. Okay, please keep reminding me when I say because I need to not say That's no. We're not doing that. Please let me know. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it'll go. If Trump wins or loses. Don't know, don't care. I don't know anything about news. I am solely a technical trader. That is all. I don't care about the news. I don't care about fundamentals. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, but keep telling me when I say if you're off, if you're hot, get off the damn treadmill. Never. I gotta get my steps in, man. We're not done rugging yet. Not Back down to 38k. Yeah. Yep. I can see it. I hope, man. I hope. I think we can go even lower than that. Last time you seen this pattern, we chopped for 2 hours till we pumped to target from the bull flag. Yeah, I don't trade bull flags. Yeah, if you want to join the VIP here, https://www.tradewithgeo.com/join-VIP. There you go, man. There you go, man. Yeah, why you guys hating on my shirt? VIP card. Yeah, bro, I was watching a live stream with Face called you. Sounded like I blew him off. No. No. Dude, I was like just incoherent. Like, I didn't know what was going on. I was like incoherent. I am not buying alts. No way. No chance. Alts will make new bear market lows. No shot. Not a chance. I've been saying it for a hot minute. I said ADA is one that could make new bear market lows. Atom is the example. Atom made a new bear market low. I've been saying it for months. Months. Months and months. Yeah, man, him and I are cool. I'll hit him up, but I don't think he thought that. Yeah, I was in the Uber. I'm telling you, dude. I was like, okay, let's find it. Does anyone know the timestamp? Let's go watch it. Let's go watch it.
On this channel live 5 years. Been preaching to you.
I feel like I want to FOMO add to my short, honestly. I kind of feel like I want to do that. It's probably not a good idea, but I feel like I want to. I feel uncomfortable not being in a short position. I am in a short, but okay.
The weekly.
Let's see if we can find this.
The weekly.
How do we find this? Oh, ARB made new lows. Nice. I don't think Solana will make new lows.
On Bitcoin.
I do not think that Solana. What am I doing in Tom's chat? Wait, did he comment? Did he see it?
You want to be majority in Bitcoin. You can have other stuff. I'm not that maxy. I have other stuff. But when the shit hits the fan like it did today, my portfolio is down, but it's not in the dumps. That Bitcoin, you say, oh, I won't get enough gains. Guys, when it dumps, you won't feel like, oh, I have to panic sell everything because it's down. It's going to go down forever.
Did he answer?
Bitcoin insulates you to that downside. My portfolio is certainly down, but it's not in doom territory. Global event. Sounds like you think this little bounce is a wave 4 or 5 and it'll take us 38K. It ain't off the table. I think we at least see 61. I think we see 61 before we decide where else we're going. Check on out. We'll look at the alts. We'll look at the alts. We gotta look at the major charts first, all right? Then we'll
Come on, Tom. Answer me, Tom.
It's not bullish, but it's
Thomas
better than the
Crown.
charts we've looked at.
How come you guys don't go in his chat and tell him to put a shirt
Plus,
on?
we have not hit the full. We haven't hit like even the bull market. You could argue. I mean, you know, I think it's the bull market since all the way back here in November of 22.
Okay, he's not answering me. He doesn't like me. I've never seen his eyes before. All right. Let's see where we
Was it?
are. Do we have a script here? Is there a script? How do I find like the part? How do I find the part that I was on the stream?
45,000. Lord, what is going on? What's to?
How do I find this?
Closet. No fees. Good morning, America. Beautiful, beautiful price action right now. When it occurred, I got boom.
Oh wait, I saw my tag.
People
Somebody tagged
constantly-
me.
God, I can't believe. Oh my God, all those people got liquidated. There's like 10 billion that got liquidated. A little trigger. The 5-day time frame.
How do I find this? You guys know how to? How do I find this? I want to hear it. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go reverse. We're gonna Uno reverse. Okay, when did he call me? Let's check. Crypto Face. Call was at 12:31 a.m. 12:31 a.m. What time is it? Where he is? 1:44. So we're looking for a 31. 31.
Don't worry about outwardly curved.
31. Missed that.
The lower time frame situation.
31. No, I know.
How's the Nikki doing? Okay, Nikki.
Wait, why am I checking my phone? What are you guys, what are we doing? What are we? Are you guys sending me the link? Is that why? Stream chat? Okay, hold the phone. We need to find this. I need it. 32? 32. Thank you.
Brother, you keep that moving. Brother, hey, listen, I just wanted to give you, we don't
Okay, I need to watch.
advanced strength in depth. And that's all we want. We don't want anything more. We don't want anything less.
Okay, thank you. Let me see, because I actually don't even know, dude. I don't even know. Let's see.
Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Dude, I didn't even know. I'm telling you, I didn't even know that I was on live.
Oh, are we bothering you, brother? Or are we bothering you?
Nah, bro, I'm fucked up right now, but we're good. I'm about to get home. I just
Are you
got back from a
driving?
festival. No, I'm in an Uber. I'm literally about to get home in like 2 seconds.
Oh, okay. Word. Damn, so what'd you go out tonight and celebrate?
Yeah, music festival in Toronto here, so.
Man, hell yeah, brother. You keep that moving. Brother, hey, listen, I just wanted to give you, well, we don't need to keep you here long. But,
Yeah.
brother, I mean, you've been...
Yeah, this is good. Thank you, sir. Have a good night. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, all right. That's all, folks. All right, okay, that's all.
No, we're good. I'm out of the Uber.
Yeah, brother. They've been calling you traitor. Traitor.
Man, they're
Trader.
calling me the
He's
fuck.
not like us. He's not a perma bull. He's kind of a perma bear, but he's right. He's not a perma bear. You ain't no perma bear. You just been calling the truth.
Yeah, they've been calling me the fucking villain.
Hey, at least you famous.
They're not like us. They're not like us.
Hey, so are you in any of these plays, or are you not in any trade, or what?
Dude, I am motherfucking giga short, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh,
Hell
I
yeah.
was worried there for a second, brother. I was worried.
Dude, never. This month, if you're like gun to your head, hit the short button. Don't even fucking touch long.
Straight up.
This shit looks like fucking ass, bro.
Oh, I love it, bro. I love it.
Me
A
too. They're
nice
gonna get so
ass.
mad, but they're gonna start listening. They're gonna get mad, but they're gonna start listening.
Man, they've been listening, man. They've been listening, man. Trader Geo,
Yeah,
folks. This is Trader
to you,
Geo.
but they're gonna come around the block for me to listen to you, but
Hey,
they're
well,
gonna
let me
come
pull
around.
up your YouTube, bro, because you've been nailing these trades, man.
Where
And
did we
listen,
bounce from?
you know, I'm not the old dog. I'm not the young pup anymore. You know, I don't move as much as some of you young ones do, and so we gotta hang on a second here.
Yeah, but the big dogs get the big steak, man. Like you're still in the game. It's not like you're not in the game.
Fuck. Trader Geo, here he is. Trader Geo, he's at 9,000 subscribers. This boy been calling it like a fucking macaw. Listen, the canary in the coal mine is an oily bird. Okay, he's been through some shit. He's been in them coal mines, but that canary in them coal mines for a reason. You've been squawking, brother. You've been
Yeah,
squawking, so I'm
man.
here to pay my dividends.
I appreciate it, bro. You know what? I got to because these guys are coming and shitting on me, and now it's so easy to say, "Bitch, I fucking told you."
Anyways, good job, brother. We'll keep it positive. We'll
I,
keep it positive here. I'm happy for you, brother.
yeah,
Don't worry
man.
about them
So I
pencil necks.
wanna. Nah. I appreciate you, bro.
No, but hey, fuck them pencil necks. Little fat, little bitches. Man, how about these pencil necks trying to tell me what to do? They've been trying to tell me what to do.
Bro, they'll get over it. I feel like that's it. They'll get over it eventually.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm glad. So you're still in a short? You are still in a short, brother? Good job.
Yeah, man. I shorted like 7 times. I don't even trade weekends, but I had to. I shorted like 8 times this weekend. I just took profit, shorted again. Took profit, shorted again. I just came back from my festival. Like I'm way up. I had no idea what was even going on. No clue, bro.
Hell
Short and
yeah.
chill. Short
Bro,
and
we hit
fucking chill.
52,000, man. We hit 52,000.
Dude, did we take the low? Did we take like the low from the other
We took the
month ago?
low. No, we made a new low, brother. Not just took the
Oh
low.
man.
We took
Oh
that
baby.
low.
Yeah, that's fire. I got a hit up face. I hope he didn't think like I was not trying to blow him off. I was just incoherent, So I'll hit him up. I'll talk to him. I talked to him a little bit today, but I'll talk to him again. All right, let's check these comments. Let's check these comments. Thank you for giving me the timestamp, bro. I appreciate you. 48 to 55 was a nice long. Yo, if you caught the long, 100%. Why not? If you can't get 7K, why not, man? Why not? 56 calling our names. 56345. Guys, you heard it from the man. Giga short 56345. Limit order 200x. You don't think Cole? Oh, he wanted my insight? I think it was better. I see what you mean, though. Like, at first, he's like, yeah, I was like, yo, what's up? I was just like, See, I'm telling you, I was incoherent. It was sick. Yesterday was so fire. Look at yesterday. Yesterday was sick. I'm going to mute it because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Although I get copyrighted 10 million times every single stream I do. This was last night. It was fire, bro. It was freaking fire. Fire. This was me last night. Yeah, yesterday was sick. Yesterday was dope, man. Yesterday was dope. I had a good time. And I needed it. I didn't really realize that I needed it, but I needed it. I needed it. I needed it bad. All right, if there's going to be a place, this is it. If there's a place, this is it. We rejected from this guy. Let's see if we reject from here. So far, it's not looking good. When you got this, boom. I don't know. I might gotta add to it. Oh, I kind of want to add to it, man. I kind of want to add to the short, man. Kind of want a short, man. 70K or 50K? 50. I don't think we're going to see 70s again for like at least the rest of the year. At the very least, the rest of the year. I think 70s out of, like, we're done with 70. I was perfectly fine. The moment you told him you were drunk, he should have said okay. Oh, okay. I kind of want to add to the shorts, man. Kind of want to add to it, man. I kind of want to come and tackle these lows, man. What song is playing right now? I don't know the name of the song, but I have this. Here's the link for it, brother. There is the link for it, brother. Saying says my short's gonna get wrecked. Maybe. I see you're still here hating. Still here hating with your fake accounts. In here hating. We got some hating potters here. Hating potters. Huge dump. We need a small retracement as normal. You know what? Yeah. I mean, we kind of did, though. You can't say, like, look at this retracement, bro. Like, we retraced 12%. 12% we retraced. That's actually so much. Holy. Yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Joe, you're short versus my long from 49. I'm also long, actually, too. I am also long. From 40. Where did I long from? I longed from 50.3. I longed from 50.3. 50.3. So, okay, I'm getting tired. We're done with the treadmill. We did our work. We did our work. This, I don't know, man. I don't know. I kind of want to add to it. I'm telling you guys, I kind of want to add to it. I'm itching for it, man. Oh. But we have to protect our capital. We cannot be greedy. Although I don't think shorting after a 10% pump is greedy. I definitely don't think that it's greedy. Yeah, 12% not enough. It's dude, everybody, like, even now, like the thumbnails, the videos today, they're calling it a crash. They're saying it's reminiscent of the COVID crash. Guys, we're still in the range. We're not even out of the range. We are not even out of the range. We couldn't be more still in the range. We're in the range. This is not a... We're not crashing. Nothing has crashed. We're literally in a range. I don't know, though, man. You know what? Let's check CVD. I haven't checked CVD in so long. Let's check CVD. CVD. Oh, I want dill pickle chips. That would be sick. Let's check CVD and maybe we can get a better conviction here. Okay, let's check CVD. Let's check CVD. Let's check CVD. Okay. Yeah, this is a crash for ants. This is not even a crash, bro. We're still in the range. Like, we're literally in the range. You know? So we're still in the range. We got, damn, man, there's a lot of CVD here though. Am I lagging? Yeah, you know, maybe like, okay, I don't see it as we're down 30%. Like, okay, if you were to come on a small time frame, right? Let's say you were to go on like, let's say you see, I told you guys to the short, man. Okay, let's say you're on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, you're on a 5-minute time frame, right? If this is your 5-minute range, and then you go from like here to here, like, would you call that a crash? And the answer is no, because you're just within the range, right? So yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's a crash at all. I don't literally, I don't even think, like, if this is going to be a crash, we're gonna use the word crash. Okay, let's pretend we're gonna use the word crash and that a crash is going to happen. I don't think this is the crash. This is not a crash. You're just in the range. And actually, sweeping this low like that, if we close, and we talked about this, today's most important daily candle close, if you close below here, like, we really got to watch for this number, because if you start closing above this number, then we really can start talking about coming back up significantly, right? This is definitely not the time to be overly bearish, because now, I mean, we could get a continuation. Obviously, we're scalping it, but in general, we'll see, man. We'll see. I think market cipher looks like shit. I personally think we're gonna keep going down. It, like, more macroly. I don't think it's over. I don't think it's over. And, like, you know, are we really down 30%? Like, are we really down 30%? I know, like, technically we are, but are we really? Like, come on, guy. Like, come on. I would like to come to 43. I like 43. I like this. Come here and I'm happy. I like 43. 43 is nice. I would even be okay with the bull market continuing right here. Right here. 32K. I mean, 32K. I like 32. I think I like 32. That would be not even a crash, but that would be a move. I still don't think that would be a crash. Like, you guys, you know, look at how we got here. You know, and like realistically, there has been no liquidity taken since really last August. It's been a year of literally up only. Like literally. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to play it by ear. We're gonna have to wait and see. I don't know. I really don't. Really don't. Couldn't tell you. Did this low ever get taken? Yikes, bro. Yikes that they never took that low again. Yikes. Yikes. It's one of the most long streams. No, I've done a 5-hour stream before. Or a 4-hour stream before. Anyway, let's come back to our scalp and see how the scalp is scalping. Let's see how we're doing here with our scalp. 43 is what Crypto Savvy called and said long to 62. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Because I don't know how anything is going to look if and when we get there. You know? So, I don't really know. I think this is my hunch right now. This is my hunch. My hunch is that this SFP is going to trip up a lot of people. I think this SFP is going to trip up a lot of people. We'll see. We'll see. 70% retracements during bears. High time frame showing max confusion. Yeah, well, even in a bull market, you have 50% moves, right? Like we have a 55% move from the high to the low here. 56%. So let's just assume that that happened again. Yeah, that would bring you down to 30K. I love 32K. I said it months ago, almost a year ago. I feel like I said it, where I think that the bull market is going to continue here. I don't know if it's going to happen, but you know, I don't think it's I think it's irresponsible to think that it can't do that. As we know, anything can happen. Yeah, I don't know. I think it'll be funny. Oh, look at that. Look, see, I wrote it. Bull market begins between 19 and 22K. Wow, that's a long time ago. I wrote that. That is a long time ago I wrote that. We'll see. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see, man. We gotta wait and see. Yeah, I'm scalp short. I'm not scalp long. I'm scalp short. We're at the high of the range, so I'm not longing here. No way. No shot. Yeah, last week we did get a blood diamond on the weekly. That's not good, guys. That's not good. It's not a good sign. Dude, 32K would be lovely. You know what's funny is when people say Max Payne is whatever. That's the funniest shit ever. Who do you decide who's at Max Payne? Like how do you come up with that number, you know? How do you come up with that number, brother? That Max Payne is a certain number. Max Payne, you guys, do you know what max means? Max means the absolute max. So you know what Max Payne would be for Bitcoin? Can anybody tell me what Max Payne is? The true Max Payne? Can somebody tell me? What is Max Payne on Bitcoin? The real Max Payne. Tell me, let me know what you guys think. No, I know. I know it means they're shook. Man, retail's already shook. There's only one right answer to what max pain is. There's literally only one answer. 0. Max pain is 0. Everything else is not max pain. All right, the short man. Who is calling me infinitely? Yes. Yeah, I'm on stream. Hold on, let me mute so you don't say stupid shit. Wait, why is it? Yeah, okay, go. All right, I have returned. What would we do? Wait, what would I do if we woke up to a Bitcoin in a month? What do you mean? Joe, you're the best? You are the best, man. That's death, not max pain. No, that's max pain, bro. Max pain, bro. COVID prices. Yep. Oh, what would I do if I woke up to $1,000 Bitcoin? $1,000 Bitcoin? I would think about buying it. I would think about it. I would think about it. I can't tell you that I would buy it for sure, but I would think about it. I would never buy here. That I'll tell you. Dude, I think it would be hilarious if Bitcoin was $1,000 in a month. It would be so funny. And hey, look, at the beginning of the stream, what did we say? Why is this any different? Why can't we come for that liquidity? Who says we can't? There's only one support, guys. And there's infinite resistance. Okay, the short is doing well. Short is doing well. Where's our friend? Where's our hater friend saying? Where is he? Saying that my short is gonna get wrecked. Joke's on you, brother. Joke's on you, brother. I told you that 1 minute flip didn't look groovy. Where did I short again? I shorted right here. And then I actually did add here. I did add. I did. I had to, man. I had to. I had to. How could I not add to that? It was perfectly positioned for us. It was very nice. Let's see how low we can ride this bitch down. There would be a new Bitcoin? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I'm not like a fundamental guy. Like, I don't even know what Bitcoin does. I have no idea. So. It going low again. We shorted here. We shorted here. We're still in the range. Yeah, I think the next few hours are going to be very interesting. Okay, let me tell you my thought right now. My thought process, okay? Here's my thought process. We have a lot of liquidity above us. This is undeniable, okay? This is undeniable. That is liquidity, right? That is liquidity. Now, we don't have to come for that liquidity right away, as we know, and we have so much more liquidity to the downside, okay? And this looks kind of like not great anyway. So, here's what's going on right now. Here's what I think. On the daily time frame, We're waiting to see what happens at this line, right? Because this would be a daily SFP. True. Now, I think, how many times do they make breaks that are not really like clean breaks, and it makes it hard for us to really understand where we're going from, right? So right now, that daily is 2% down. It's $1,000 down, okay? I'm thinking that they're probably going to send price back to this, like around this level, and close the daily candle around here. That's kind of what I'm thinking. At the very least. Right? So I'm already looking for shorts anyway, but also, like I said, we're at the high of the range. So you should be looking to short it anyway. You had the 5-minute break, which means you already don't need to worry about touching this high again. Already don't need to worry about, like, that's already a protected high because a 5-minute break. So your expectational order flow is lower high, lower low. So we already knew that. Then we came into the last place that you could reject from, which is the fair value gap. I mean, you could have hit the order block. Still possible. But you got the market structure flip here. So why not just short it down? You know, if this structure is going to prevail, then your expectational order flow is to take this low, and then we'll see. If you SFP this, then you're coming back up to here, right? If you don't SFP this, then you're expecting this, then this, then this, and so forth, right? Why could we come back up here if we SFP it? Well, we left this order block unmitigated, right? This guy's unmitigated. So why don't we, what's to stop it from doing this? Why can't we do boom, 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 down SFP, up SFP, and then continue down? Like, that could happen, right? It's all probabilities. Am I going to go to ETH Toronto? What is ETH Toronto? What in the world is ETH Toronto? Oh my goodness. That is this. ETH Toronto. Like Ethereum Toronto? Oh my. No, dude, I'm not going to go to ETH Toronto. Crypto chicks. Yeah, no, I'm not. Guys, I'm never going to go to one of these conventions ever. I will never go to these conferences ever, 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 ever. I didn't even know this was a thing. Interesting. What do I think we'll hit first? 144 or 109. So let's take a look at Solana. Probably. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sol didn't take these lows, man. That's not good. That's not good. Sol didn't take its lows. How much is it up? Oh my goodness, that's disgusting. Sol's up 22%. Yo, this. Ooh. My guess is lower, bro. I guess lower. This is the definition of a move seemingly out of nowhere. Everyone is lucky that they even gave you this much back. Jeez. Let's check Caspa. Yeah, I wanted to go to the one with CF, but I didn't want. I wasn't because I wanted to go to it. It was because I wanted to. It's because I wanted to like party with them. I didn't care to like actually go to the convention thing, you know. Here's my Caspa short from up here. Easy, by the way. Easy short. Very, very easy short. Very easy short. Very easy. You're short, so short it all, bro. Short it all. I'll tell you, I can tell you exactly where Caspa is going right now. I drew this out so long ago. There's dollar signs here, man. There's dollar signs. There's money here. There's a lot of liquidity. What happens when you don't accumulate on the low? What happens? You leave a lot of liquidity. Caspa's gonna come for this low. It's only 25% away from the low that we put in. Caspa's gonna hit here. It's all... It all looks like it's gonna go lower, man. Literally all of it. It literally all looks like it wants lower. Every single thing. See what happens. See what happens. Daily RSI is closing bullish. Man, I don't really trust that, dude. Like, this is my beef with RSI. And I don't even use the market cipher RSI because I think it's useless. This is my beef with RSI in general. Look at how, like, when the price wants to go up, it's gonna stay at overbought for so long. You know, like, it's just gonna live up here. So this is useless information to me. That the fact that it's way up here is useless. Look at how you have your VWAP that's actually showing you stuff. You have your momentum waves that are actually showing you stuff. You have your money flow, which is actually moving. But your RSIs just stay there. So, like, do we have a bullish break? Maybe, but maybe not. Like, when it wants to stay down, it'll stay down. When it wants to go up, it'll stay up. That's why I don't really use the RSIs. I only recently added them back on my market cipher because I know that when your RSIs are together, like they're pinched together, it's usually a stronger move. To be honest, I don't even know why that's a thing. Apparently, allegedly, I'm not saying that it's not, but yeah, I just think, like, why do I need the RSIs if I have all this other information? And I've even steered away. Like, I can trade without indicators. I used to not be able to trade without indicators. I can trade without indicators now. You know, I got good at price action. I don't need indicators anymore. So I don't know, bro. I really don't know. I really don't. Almost nobody holding Cardano is in profits following today's whatever. Yeah, Cardano will make new bear market lows. I said that like 5 months ago that I think Cardano will make new bear market lows. I mean, rinsed. Cardano will make new bear market low, I think. Maybe not. Maybe it'll come to here. I feel like I will buy Cardano. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? But my short is doing well. That's what I know. I don't even care, guys. People, I think people, like, are too caught up on, like, I don't know. I'm more of a trader than an investor. Like, I don't really care. I literally don't care. If it goes to 0, I think it'll be funny. If it goes to 100, I think it'll be funny. Like, I really don't care. Can I trade without market cipher? You know what? If I'm being honest, yes, I can. I used to not be able to, but now I can. I don't think I would dare to actually trade without it. But I can trade without it. And that's new. This is new. Like I said, I'm like, man, my trading is so different in the last year even, you know? I used to not be able to. Now I can trade without it, yeah. Soul got you underwater? Dude, I would never. Maybe Soul is like a gigabuy. If it gets low again. If it gets low enough, maybe it's a gigabuy. Let's see where Soul could go, realistically. Let's be realistic about Solana. I don't think Solana needs to take that much of a bleed, but this is the problem. That's a problem. This is a problem. This liquidity is a problem. I think realistically, I think we could see like a 35. I think we could see a 35. Oh, you know what? Is it daily order block? I think we could see a $35 Solana. I think we could see it. It kind of depends, man. Honestly, it kind of depends. Kind of depends. If they want to make a run for this liquidity or not, it kind of depends. Maybe a $50 Soul. If Soul comes back to 50 bucks, I'll consider it. But we'll see. We'll have to wait and see. Have to wait and see. Where should we go? Where should we go beyond the short? Wait, what do you mean? Do you mean where should you TP? Oh, did the 5-minute close? Yeah. It's not that great of a break, but you're not wrong. Definitely did break. So theoretically, this should be a protected high. However, we know that we have this order block up here. So if we're lucky enough to get this, then we short that shit. We target the low. Simple. Simple. We don't have to, though. We do not have to. We definitely don't have to. But money flow is suggesting that we might get that, but we'll see. Did I talk about the stopping volume vector candle on the higher time frames? At the highs on Biddy or on the lows? The highs or the lows of Biddy? Oh, where should we go break even? Well, it depends on where you got in. Technically speaking, like technically, your stop loss needs to be here. Right now. Yeah, I got you. But your stop loss technically needs to be there. But if you can go break even, I mean, you should already be taking profit on that low. If you're scalping it, like I took profit again. I took profit again. You know, and then if it keeps going lower, then I can get in again. Like I don't care about entries in that shit, you know? But technically, I mean, depends. Like it depends on how you trade. But technically, your stop loss should be up here right now. For me, my stop loss is I mean, I don't have a stop loss right now, but I'm watching it. Like I'm watching it. My average entry right now is this. So I've already taken profit. I don't think I would move my stop T entry right now because we know that this guy can get hit still. We know that this one can get hit, this order block. So look, for example, if this thing ever fucking loads, what happened? What just happened? What is happening? So only because there's an order block there, like I drew this out for you guys, right? I drew this. I said if you SFP the low, then you could get this and then continue down. Only because there's an order block here, I'm more paying attention and taking profits. Other than that, I wouldn't have even done that. I wouldn't have even taken profit, honestly. I'm looking, like we're at the high of the range. I'm looking to short it down to here. I'm looking to short it. No, I don't think I talked about the stopping volume vector. I didn't. Let me see. don't know. I don't think it's over, guys. I really don't. I really don't. I don't think it's over. Weekly hidden bull div confirmed if it stays above 25k. Weekly hidden bull div. 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 In order for that... Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. But it would have to like... Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're definitely not wrong. I think... I just think it's going to be a red rest of the year. Like, I think we don't come back to these areas. We'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, my PC is bugging, right? My shit's mad buggy. I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. This is what happens when you stream for a hot minute. But yeah, you know. Stream is glitchy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Looks like 4 Hour wants to take 57.7. I don't know what's at 57.7 specifically. But I would say right now it looks maybe, but I think that you would get this first. I think we honestly just range here. I don't think we do anything extravagant. What is an order block? It's basically institutional involvement. Far from over. With such a big move, we might jump up and down. Yeah, I mean, it's a very volatile time anyways, you know? We could be at 60k tomorrow, just like we could be at 40k tomorrow. Like right now is a very, very like sensitive. And we all know that when it's time for Bitcoin to show the world who's boss, it's, you know, like this was up only for how long? How long was this up only for? Like this is nothing, right? Let's say from here, it was up only for 2 weeks straight, basically. This has been down only for 1 week. Okay. Maybe you need to invest in a faster PC. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, man. Maybe. It's not a hidden bull div. It will be a hidden bull div if this happens. This would be a hidden bull div. That will be. That will be. Yeah, bro, it's definitely a dump. It definitely is, but it doesn't have to stop. Doesn't have to stop. Move on the 4 hour, you will see. You don't mean right now, but we might. Let's go to the 4 hour. Wait, what was the number that you said, though? Like, what is it specifically at 57? Yeah, this is starting to look more weak right now. Yo, Mark, what's up, brother? Shout out to Mark, man. I think this is going to be the death of meme coins. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that. I agree. Guys, like, there's a serious case here that the bull market is over. I'm not saying it is, but there's a serious case of it. There is a serious case of it. You know, this time around, man, this time around, like, it feels like, I don't know, man. This time around is just, It's like everyone is entitled. It feels entitlement. I feel entitlement. You know, they think it has to be a bull market. I don't know. Look, I'm not saying it's not, but like what would you like, okay, ask yourself, how would you feel or what would you do if the bull market was over? Right? If it was. How would you feel about it? Because there are some serious, like if we start losing some levels, you know, we got some serious talks about coming much lower. Right? So I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Stizzy says it is over. Question is, what are my best bull narratives? Right now, I don't have any. The only bullish narrative I can give you, the only one, is that we have liquidity here. That's the only thing I can tell you. That's the only bullish thing that I see on this chart. That's it. And even that, how much more do I... Okay, there's liquidity there. What about all this? What about all this? All that? You know? I'm just saying, like, there's some serious case. There's a serious case of the bull market being over. Not saying it is. I don't know. I have no idea. Couldn't tell you. I'm good either way. I don't care. But this time feels different. It feels like people are entitled. Like, you know, some people's heads are a little bit too big. I didn't feel like we were in a bull market. Yeah, I mean, again, people are just expecting, like, dude, they gave $74,000. That is so much money. 74. I would be feeling that cash grind on your bearish cheeks. Yeah. I know what you're saying, Gio, but look at previous cycles. This could be a final shakeout. Absolutely. Mark, you're 100% wrong. Right. You're 100% not wrong. 100%. Absolutely, this could be a last shakeout. You could get something like this. You could come up, sweep all the highs, and then we'll fair play from there. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, like, what if this is the reality? You know? Like, okay, the only bullish thing I can say is that there's liquidity. But here, the only, like, the bearish thing that could have been said was that there was liquidity. There was liquidity. There was liquidity. Right? And they never came for it. So the question is, like, what if, I'm just saying what if, hypothetically, what if they just don't come for it and they come for it later in like a year? Like, I'm telling you, once daily structure starts to break, we really got to start, like, okay, you know, we might need to make some moves. I also don't think that it's over. I don't think the bull market is over, but I'm just, you know, I'm kind of playing devil's advocate here. Yo, the Fed is about to start printing money again. It can't be over on the macro. Man, you know what? I hope you're right, but for me, I can't say the word can't. For me, in my mind, it can do whatever it wants to do. They can do whatever they want to do. We'll see, man. It's going to be an interesting time for sure. I don't care if the bull market is over. Let's just giga short and chill. Yes, sir. I mean, we're going to long it when it's time to long. We're going to short it when it's time to short. I just took 2 shorts on stream today. Made $500 in this stream. Why say no to $500, you know? So I don't care. I'm not like heavily invested, and I really don't care. I'm not as overexposed as everybody else is. You know? I think the bull market continues, but I feel sorry for people who think there will be an altcoin season. I think there will be an altcoin season. I just think it's not. I said it from the beginning of this year. This year is the year of Bitcoin. This is not the year of altcoins. It's not. There are certain anomalies. Okay, Solana did amazing, but look at everything else. Relatively underperformed. You know what I'm saying? Holders will feel the pain. Yeah, I'm not emotionally attached to it. I literally don't care which way it goes. I don't have enough money to change my life over one cycle. Like, I was accumulating in the bear market, sure, but it's not like life-changing money. I can make way more money with $1,000 in USDT and trading it, leveraging it, than I can putting $1,000 in Bitcoin or any other altcoin. You know? I can make way more money. So I don't, yeah, for me, I don't care. We just got a new daily structure. Yeah, we did actually. This low, this was the low that was like, you know, important. So we'll see, because right now your daily structure is as follows. Let's hide everything. Here's your daily structure now, okay? Your daily is this now. Boom, 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 boom. And then now you have a low SFP. So you got to watch for this number. We really got to watch for this. You start getting daily candle closes below here, it's not good, guys. It is not good. It is not good. Rate cuts is one narrative, but that is about it until 2026. Yeah. The only long I'm throwing a little money is at Trump, whatever. Just looking for 1,000x long. Yo, maybe. You know what? Maybe that happens. Yeah, I will do a video on breakout. Could I talk about how I build my positions? When is it best to add to them? I mean, that's basically what I talk about all on my channel. But you can use market cipher. You can use market structure. I'll tell you this right now. Like, if you know your key zones, as long as you know what you're looking for, you can trade anywhere and get in anywhere. Okay. The whole like nonsense of you know, you missed your entry or whatever. Like, you can get in from anywhere. You can get in on a 1 minute range, right? So what I did right now on this stream, and go back and check it, but earlier on this stream, I had a short zone. Right, I had my short zone, which I don't know where it is now, but this was an area that we were looking for because we had a fair value gap here. So we were looking for a short in this area. Okay, I ended up taking the short in this area because market cipher was telling me to short it, so I shorted it. Then when we came down, we had a retracement up into another short zone. Right, we had another short zone here. It was another fair value gap. I don't know where my time frame was, but we had a short area. We had our, and anyways, it was a point of interest. So even though I shorted here, and then I took profit like somewhere here. I don't know. I took profit. And then I added again, literally right at the very top. So my average entry like came down. But the best answer, and it's going to sound like a very obvious answer, is you add to your short when it's like appropriate to add to the short, right? Here, even here in the fair value gap that we had a 1 minute structure flip. I told you guys that. We had this 1 minute flip. So why not try it, right? Why not try the short? You're at the high of the range. Why not? You know? So we'll see. See what happens here. I'm looking for lower. I would like to come down. I would like to come down. I think we could get something like this. Boom. And then dance around here. And then boom. And then we'll see. I think we can get something like that, though. Poetry. My teacher said best because of my dyslexia and that I would never be a poet, but I proved him wrong. I already made a vase, a mug, and 2 ashtrays. What's up, bro? What's up, brother? Just looking at March 2020. Pretty sure everyone was calling end of the bull at that time. Yeah, I was not in 2020, so I don't know. I don't remember what it was like because I wasn't even in crypto. So I'm not saying it's the end of the bull market. That is not at all what I'm saying. I actually, in my last videos, and if you guys have been around, you've seen these 2 lines. I talked about these 2 lines for extensive amounts of time. I said this was the all-time high. This was the order block that had to get mitigated. I said it's way more bullish if this gets hit before this. I'm like, I don't think that the bull market is over. I think if we touch all-time high before touching this, then your bull market might be over. But I was more bullish on the bull market. So this is way more bullish than if we went to the all-time high. Way more bullish. If we SFP that daily, though, target is an all-time high. You're correct. The problem, though, is that it's not the best daily structure. Like, I'm not going to sit here and say that it can't work. It absolutely can, and we are building a case for it. Remember, we have a lot of liquidity above us, right? But you also... Like, I have 2 structure points, really. Number 1 is 38. right? Like you could draw your daily like this, or you could just skip that point and draw it like this. So if you draw it this way, then you're allowed to come down a hell of a lot lower than that. But I mean, guys, like, you know, if you're bullish on crypto, this is the funny thing. Like, many people are bullish on crypto. If you're bullish on crypto, you should want it to go down, because then you make crypto when it goes down, right? You make money when it goes up. You make crypto when it goes down. If you're bullish on crypto and you hate fiat, you should want it to go down, because then you make more crypto. Simple concepts that people don't understand. But on the daily time frame, man, I'm telling you guys, we haven't touched the 800 EMA since October. It's been literally a year of up only. I like 43. Let's see what happens if we get to 43. I like 43. But our shorts from this morning, or from this stream, are doing well. And our little friend that said the shorts are about to get wrecked, looks like he's hiding, man. Like he's hiding, man. You're right, Geo. It is more bullshit than that came down here, but people are expecting a quick move. Maybe we just accumulate down here for a couple months. Bro, absolutely. I think we have to accumulate. I feel like we have to accumulate. We can't just go up. You can't. We need to accumulate. We need this. Look, you need this. You need it. This is not a want. You need this. You need it. Even if you go sideways, you need to go sideways, but you need to go sideways like at the lows. You can't just get everything bought back up and then think it's bullish. No, 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 no. We need to accumulate down here. You need to. Have to accumulate. That's why the perma-bear shit is funny as hell, because we don't care which way it goes. Yeah, I don't care. What candle type do I use? I use regular. I don't like Heiken Ishi. Geo, do I think Bitcoin will go back to 50K? Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely, I do think so. And I think it could happen quick too. Regular is the only answer. Yeah, I agree. I'm not sure BlackRock and all the ETFs are gonna screw their customers this fast and quick. Are you sure about that, bro? Since when does BlackRock care about their customers? Are you sure? I don't know. I maybe I said that in a sarcastic way. I genuinely don't know anything about BlackRock. I genuinely don't know anything about ETFs. Like, I don't know anything about that. But I don't know if they wouldn't, like, quote unquote screw their customers. This is since when did like the big dogs ever care about their investors? Literally ever. That's what Wall Street is they attack your money. You know? Like, they don't care. Gotta build a bottom, not a house on stilts. That's exactly it, man. You need to accumulate. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, you should not want it to go back up right now. Like, we need time at the lows. We need to. We haven't been at the lows in a year. We've been up only for a year. You should want it to come to 40 or 30 and stay down there. Form a big range down here. You should want this. This is what if you're bullish, you should want it to go down. Just join the VIP Discord and watch your video on the Brinks box and catch the perfect short only day one, and you're hyped for years. Bro, I'm telling you, welcome. First of all, welcome. But yeah. Welcome, man. I'm glad to have you here. That's true. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know. I think like too many people. Oh, what just happened? Where did my chat go? Did my stream just end? Am I still live? Hello? I don't even know if I'm still live right now. I have no idea if I'm still live. I don't even know if I'm still live. No way it's going to 40K. Okay, man. That's what they said. That's what they said, bro. Look, I'm not saying it's going, but you can't say no way. That's what they said about this dump. That's what they said about this one. Here we are now. You know? It can go to 40K, bro. Yeah, I don't know. Man, it's a new MacBook. It's a good one. We still have a huge order block at 40K. If we break structure, I would expect 40K. Yeah, man, it very much depends on it very much depends on these like what happens here. This is a very important number, guys. If you start losing, you start getting daily candle closes down here, we're going down. This is not my opinion. We're going down. Oh, you're making fun of them. Yeah. Yeah, man, there's no way, bro. There's no way. There's no way. Yeah, there's way, bro. There's way. There's way, bro. Your target is 52.5. You know what? I'll even move this up. Yeah, I can see that happening. I can see it happening. I can see it happening. The short is doing great. See, I don't know, man. Maybe like my brain is just different because a lot of people are like 40K. Like, I don't think 40K is crazy at all. I don't think it's crazy at all. If people are still this bullish, it worries you. Yeah, me too. Me too, man. Me too. L, I appreciate you being here. Thank you. I'm glad that you like the content. I'm glad that you like the content. So right now, this is the current short position that we took on stream today. This is the current situation. That's the current sitch. Realized. No, realized. Unrealized. Unrealized, realized. That's the current situation. Quick 500, 600. No problem. I'll take it. I'll take it. Mark, you know what? They hit me up, bro. They hit me up, and I was gonna do it, and then I'm so busy with the Nexus, bro. I'm so busy with the Nexus and planning what we do. And yeah, so I told him I'll catch him on the next one. I'll catch him on the next one. Because I have a lot going on with the VIP, man. We're doing so much work. I'm doing so much website stuff. Like, I'm trying to genuinely change lives. I'm trying to create a new standard for VIP Discords. I'm trying to do a new standard, so. That's honestly why. That's honestly why. 30K is even wower. I mean, look, it's really like, forget the numbers, okay? Forget the numbers. I want you to try something. I want you guys to try an exercise. Forget the numbers. Just look at the chart. Like, just the chart alone, right? For example, if you lose this point in the chart, if you lose this, right? Why wouldn't you come for all of this? Why wouldn't you? Right? Why wouldn't you? There's so much liquidity here. So you just look at it from like level to level. If you lose this, why wouldn't you come here? You know, if you lose this, which is where we are now, why wouldn't you come down to here? Forget the numbers, right? Forget the numbers. That's it. 40 is the first conservative target. I agree with you, man. I think that people are entitled this time around. They just think they know everything. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but after Trump did the talk at Bitcoin convention, you immediately burned into a perma-bear. I was already a perma-bear. Also, Trump getting shot was your black swan event to the upside. I think this was going to happen way long ago. The last month, I think it was supposed to happen in July, but Trump getting shot was the Black Swan event to the upside. This one guy said Bitcoin won't go past 60K again. Lol. Well, he is not being accountable as TA guy. Wait, who did? Who said that? Who said that? Man, the short is being good, baby. The short is being good right now. Boys, the short is being nice right now. Should I show you guys? I don't really show my positions. No, I'm not going to show you guys. Do I think 50.4 good for last TP on your short? You were being made fun of. I was being made fun of you of it also, bro. And no, I don't think it's what did you say? 50.4? We could come to 50.4. Yeah, that's a good TP. I like actually not 50.4. Go a little bit higher. Go a little bit higher. Go like what do you go? I mean, I would probably just TP here. I would go here. I would go on this wick. So a little bit higher. I'd go like 50, like 50.9. I would do like 50.9. I would do like 50.9. Some people should trade with numbers off. Yo, I don't trade the numbers, dude. I don't care. I literally don't care. It's all the shapes. It's all like the chart. Just trade the chart. Trade the candles. Screw the numbers, you know? Boom, baby. The short. Who made fun of me for shorting? God, I'm such a perma bear. New here, holy crap, this channel and the clear TA is outstanding. Been in the space for 4 years and only Casper and Sam Price have brought this kind of knowledge and passion. I appreciate you. Keep hammering. I hope you keep hammering those shorts, my friend. Thank you very much for your kind words. I appreciate it. We're doing very well right now. And one thing about me is I'll tell you this, guys. You might not like the things that I say from time to time. You may not like my opinion, and I'm not always right, but what I say always at the very least makes sense. And I keep it real. I don't bullshit anything. And to answer that question, why here's my position right now. To answer that question, why I only have 9,000 subscribers, it's because a lot of people don't like what I have to say when I keep it real. That's the true answer. If I shilled you up only garbage, then I would have more subscribers. But I don't shill you up only garbage, and people don't like that. People don't want to hear that. That's the reality. That's the sad truth of it. Totally agree. I've been telling my homies the Trump pump wasn't real. Yeah. Up 300% on the short. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And yo, this is a fun time to scalp because like we're just trading the range, but like look at how big the range is. So right now trading this range, you know, we might get a 5% move to the downside. Like we shorted here. I shorted right here. We're already down 3%. We're already down 3% from the short that we took in this stream like half an hour ago. This is a fun range to trade if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to get wrecked. If you know what to look for. I knew what to look for. I knew what to look for. Good morning. Good morning. New here and you want to learn more. Rendell, welcome, my friend. Welcome. 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 My subs are way too low. It'll get there, man. Face will keep putting me on. I'm very grateful for Crypto Face, by the way. Very, very grateful for Crypto Face. He will put me on, man. He'll keep putting me on. He's a good dude. And I appreciate the love. And you know what? I want to help the other creators that are going to be up and coming. I'm not the biggest channel, but I want to help the people that, like, I got to pay it forward. You know, I want to help the people that want to do this as well. Because it's hard to start at the beginning, you know? You gotta just stay, you gotta just grind. It's not easy, you know? And I had a lot of help. I had a lot of help to get here, so, you know? How long did it take me to get my breakout account funded? It took me 1 day. I got 2 accounts funded. I passed the first one, and then I blew the account because I was trading drunk like an idiot. And then the second, that one I did in one trade, and then the second one I did in like one day. I did it in one day. I watch another guy and he is calling for 9 to 3K for the bear market and people don't like him. Yeah, I mean, I look, there's no way I can even remotely talk. Like, we can't even talk about 40K because we're not even at 50K yet. You know, like, let's get to 50K first and then we'll talk about 40. You can't talk about 70 because we're not even at 60. You can't even talk about 60. We're not even at 55. You know what I mean? Like, that's how I trade, right? Even my free content on using Market Cipher was the missing stuff you needed. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy that you're enjoying it. I'm so happy. Thank you for your kind words. This is how you make long-standing money. Yeah, I mean, look, that's what I like, you know, like, this is a perfect example. Look at what happened on the daily. Remember I made that video and I'm like, this is my problem with the Bitcoin, with everything right now, is all this liquidity, right? I made that video. And yeah, you could have longed it here and you could have had a nice move up, but it's objectively a dangerous play. You got lucky. They got lucky. Longs got so fucking lucky that this happened way later, right? But I was waiting for an accumulation. I missed this whole move. I don't trade weekends and all these moves happened on the weekend. I missed all of it. But I didn't care. I wasn't tweaking. I wasn't FOMOing. Man, like I just showed you here, you can get it on anywhere. You can get it anywhere. But anyway, yeah, it's what's sustainable over time, right? Because you might get your trade and your trade might hit, but is it going to be sustainable over time? What your game plan is? Because I guarantee you a lot of these people, and people came and made fun of me and saying, haha, Geo, you missed the low. Like, are you sure that that's the low? I also tweeted, by the way, follow my Twitter. Links in the, I don't know if the link is in the description, but follow my Twitter. I said, guys, the low's not in. Like 2 weeks ago, I tweeted it. Go check my Twitter. I tweet some stupid shit, but I have good shit in between it. Anyway, it's not a sustainable strategy, right? It's not sustainable. And that's what I'm trying to do. We need to be sustainable over time. We need to be profitable over time. I'm not interested in a $1 million trade today if I'm going to lose 1.1 million tomorrow, you know? We're not here for that. We're here to be profitable, be disciplined over time. That's what I'm here for anyway. I got my breakout account funded Saturday morning, then traded up and got a payout already. Nice, bro. Brandon, congrats, dude. That's amazing. That's dope. I haven't traded yet. I haven't, like I obviously I got it funded, but I haven't used the real money yet. So I'm hoping to get a payout soon. I need to just wait for a Nexus setup. New sub here. Years on CryptoFace. Only up channels got your long wrecked. Short slowly earning it back. Let's go, baby. He's the one who recommended me. So great trading with you today. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Everyone that's here from CryptoFace, I appreciate you guys all from being here. I don't always say what you guys want to hear or what people want to hear, but I keep it real, man. I keep it real. Keep it real. Yo, Brandon, where did they withdraw it to? Did they send it to your bank or did they send it to like a crypto, like USDT or whatever? What prop firm do I recommend? I recommend Breakout. It's the only one that I use. It's the only one that I've ever used. The link is in the description for it. And of course, I appreciate everybody that supports me. Just waiting for the dips. Yeah. Got funded on Breakout yesterday on a 5K. Made 96 bucks today and waiting for the... Okay. Nice, bro. That's sick. Share my Twitter link. Yeah, let's do it. Here is my Twitter. Here is my Twitter. I post shit from time to time. The last 53.3 was whatever. We missed a pivot, 61K, so chances are high to get at least back to this level. Wait, last 53.3K was a 618 And we had a lot of missed pivots around 64K. So it went up. I mean, right now we have a missed pivot at 61. So chances are high. Maybe. Maybe, bro. Was only Jason and CryptoFace, but adding Trader Geo to the list. Welcome, man. I'm glad that you're here. There are tons of prop firms with longer track records better than Breakout, FYI. No. Look, I don't use them. This is the only one I've used. So if you know them and you can recommend them, by all means, you're not overstepping. You are not overstepping at all. You know? Definitely not overstepping. So please, I just don't use them. I only even got Breakout because what's it called? I only even got it because people were asking me about it. Like you guys, my subscribers were asking me about it, and I can't put my name behind something that I don't know. You know? I put my name behind Market Cipher because I know Market Cipher. I've used it. I don't put my name behind shit I don't know. So high on life till the day we die. I walk 1,000,000 miles. All right, guys, listen, we're dumping, and we've been streaming now for how long? How long we've been streaming? You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. I don't actually do the giveaways anymore, not really. But here's what we're gonna do. Let's do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway today. I'm okay with that. We can do a giveaway. We can do a giveaway. We can do a giveaway. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna go. And if you don't know, now you know. 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 All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to engagement farm because that's what we do. So here's what we're going to do. Ready? Everyone is going to go to that video. Go to that video. Drop a comment and like that video. I don't care what you comment, but the emoji has to be the graph down emoji, okay? You can say whatever you want. Geo, you suck. Geo, you have a big nose. Geo, your body is fat. Geo, your beard is immaculate. Geo, your voice sounds like stupid. Whatever it is, okay? But it has to have that emoji in it. And okay. We're dumping. Is it wrong to want signals and share entries? I don't trust yourself anymore, but still want to trade? Yes, it is wrong. It's the only one in crypto being highlighted lately. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I've never used a prop firm. I use my own money though. Why would I use my own money instead of prop firms? Because I just like look, Breakout is great, but it's only 5x leverage and I use like 80x leverage. So Twitter people getting bearish on the stock market. Just join the Discord. Yeah, guys, so the link for the Discord is in the description down below. And then I have the free one, and then I have the paid one as well. Give away the dump. You know what we're gonna start doing too? I don't know when. We're gonna start it soon. I gotta talk to my moderators. But basically what we're gonna start doing as well is I'm gonna start doing a giveaway for the VIP on like weekly rotation. Okay, on weekly rotation. So for example, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna fuck, man, I'm ADHDing right now. I'm gonna like do something every week on Twitter or something, and then every week there's gonna be a new winner in VIP that's gonna have free VIP for 1 week, and then they're removed, and then a new person's gonna come in. Removed, it's gonna go week to week basis. Okay, guys, don't comment that here. Comment that on the video. You have to go on that video. Go comment it on the video. And you can write whatever you want. It just has to have the graph down. So don't do it here. Do it on the video. Okay? I will be right back. I'm going to go use the washroom real quick. And then I'll be right back, okay? And then we'll do the giveaway. With your own money, you could trade as much as you... Yeah, exactly. I know leverage doesn't matter. You know what actually Breakout did good for me? Breakout is getting me used to like using big money position sizes. Because like, man, like, look, this is my current situation, right? I took more profits, by the way. This is my current situation on my current trade that we took on this stream, okay? Now, this is great, and that's all fun and all, but like, when I'm in bigger positions, like, Breakout gets me used to seeing this as 3,000 and this as 3,000. Like, I want to start making $3,000 a day. You know, $5,000 a day, not $500 a day. And Breakout will get me, Breakout will get me, like, used to that. XRP's been accumulating for 7 years. I think XRP is the most fundamentally sound coin. For the record. For the record. Now, that's going to sound weird, and that's going to trigger a lot of people. I think XRP is more fundamentally sound than everything else. Truly, I think that. Because if the government's going to get involved, which, by the way, Trump saying that the US is going to get behind Bitcoin is way more bearish than bullish, because the whole point of Bitcoin is blockchain and everything is off grid and the government is not involved. So them sticking their nose in it is regulating it, is making it more bearish, not bullish. Number one. Number two, XRP is the only fundamental coin that the actual institutions can use, because it replaces the SWIFT system and they can send money, and actually it has there's functionality behind it. So if the government's going to get involved, who runs the government? The institutions. Who runs the institutions? The elites. Is it lagging that hard? Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, my legs. Oh, my legs. I'm trying to lay you down easy. Dear mods, if I buy my 4th and final boot camp, will I get a discount on the complete course when it comes out? Benjamin, you open up a ticket and we'll chat, okay? Open up a ticket. Open up a ticket. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to do the I'm gonna get the short's printing. The short is printing. Who said it? Who told us not to short 4% ago? It can't do this. It can't. It can't do it. It can't do it. You guys are crazy. Bitcoin can't go down. The inflows. The inflows. The inflows. All right. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to get this ready to go. Actually, while I'm doing this, give me like 30 seconds, but I'm going to give you guys my intro because it's fire. But give me 30 seconds. I'll be back. Man, we're lagging big time. We are lagging big time. Geo feeling himself. Yes, sir. Where's the Jedi at? Man, I had to ban him because he keeps telling people to long and people keep losing their money because of his incoherence. Because of his extremely, albeit consistent, his consistently bad advice. So I had to ban him. I don't want my people listening to him. How can somebody be so consistently incorrect? It's kind of funny. All right. Correlate. How are we doing on this video? By the way, guys, this is a very good video for you for learning exercises. So for the people that are new here, go actually watch it. Okay, so the rules are basically it needs to have a 32K baby. It needs to have the graph down emoji so that I know. All right, let's do it. Let's do a giveaway. We haven't done these giveaways in a hot minute. It's been a hot minute, man. It's been a hottie. Party. I just want to party. I just want to party. I just want to party. Good video, Geo. Good video, Geo, bro. When was this video? When was this comment made? 3 days ago. Doesn't count. Sorry, brother. We're gonna run it back. Actually, I have to be fair. I need to see if he commented anywhere else. I believe this week is going to be a very... You refresh your browser, face of the same issue? I'm going to get off here in a second anyway. Okay, wait. I got to see if Whimsy commented, because if he commented, then he won. Hold on. Oh, damn. You guys are spamming. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, he did not. Let's go. We're going to run it back. We're going to run it back. Pick another winner. Pick another winner. Plan B. I love your vibe. When I make a mistake, I use plan B. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yo, my guy. You already know. You already know. This guy knows. He knows. Do you have all the boot camps already, bro? I feel like you have them all. Do you not? Do you have them? By the way, I'm gonna be discontinuing the boot camps when the course comes out. You already know what to do, man. You already know what to do, man. You already know what to do, man. You're trying to win it. Don't worry, we'll do more. We'll do more. We'll do more. Bro, I feel like you have all the boot camps though. Do you not? My boy. Unmuzzled goat. Unmuzzled goat. I feel like you have them all. Do you? Am I tweaking? Do you have them all? I definitely feel like you have it. Maybe not. Let me check. CD. Let's go. CD. Oh, you don't have it. Damn, bro. Oh my God. That's crazy. Okay. Yo. Then CD. You know what? Listen, bro. You're here all the time. You're here all the time. You're here all the time, bro. I feel like, damn. I'm so happy that you won. I didn't know you had none of them. Congrats, man. You know what to do, bro. Open up a thing. Open up a ticket. Open up a ticket. Open up a ticky. Is it better to buy the boot camp now, before, or after the course? So here's how it's gonna be, okay? I haven't made the course yet, and I'm hoping to have it done by the end of the month, okay? I don't know how much it's gonna be. Don't know how much it's gonna be. Terry, shouts out to Terry. Says up over 1,000%. Let's go. Yeah, yes. Last week was a great week, man. Last week was a great week. It was a great week. Yeah, so the way that it's gonna work is like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it just yet. But if you have the bootcamp bundle, then you can. I'm probably gonna do you'll be able to subtract it. So like, okay, the bootcamp bundle is $330. If I make the course like $700, then you'll just deduct it. So whoever still wants to get the bundle now can get it without having to worry about paying more later. And then the bundles or the bootcamps are going to be absorbed within the course. It's going to be absorbed within the course. No, bro, you didn't win. I'm sorry. My boy thing won. My CD1. Tim C says you don't know anything. You're right. I don't know anything. You are correct. You're correct. I didn't make a video saying that this was gonna happen. You're right. You're right, bro. You're right. I didn't say there's a minus $10,000 candle coming on Twitter. You're right. Yeah, I should give him a wrench. He's actually here all the time. I got you, bro. There you go. New wrench, baby. Welcome to the wrench squad. Dude, this guy's a G. What a G. You're right, man. You're right. Where's my minus 10K? You're right. I haven't been screaming this for so long. You're right. Look. Oh. When was this? July 31st. Bitcoin right now is perfectly primed for a minus $10,000 candle. Don't say I didn't warn you. You're right. Right, dude. I don't know. I got lucky with that. When did I that was July 31st? July 31st. We were right here. How many thousands did we go down? Wait, how many thousands did I say we were going to go down? How many thousands did we go down? Sorry, you're right. I don't know anything. I didn't say 16,000. I said only 10,000. I'm sorry, dude. My bad, bro. I'm gonna try to be better next time. Up only, guys. I don't know anything but up only. Dump it. All right, guys, I'm out, man. I'm out. CD, bro, open up a thing. Open up a ticket. I think I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna hook you up. Open one. Let me know which one you want. Hopefully you pick one that I want you to have. If you pick, yeah, I want you to pick the one that I want you to pick. You know what I'm saying? I see your ticket here. What, you bought the boot camps on WAP? Do I lose them? No. You still have them on WAP. You still have them on WAP. They will stay on WAP. You're not going to be able to buy them, but if you bought them, you're still going to have them. Don't worry. If you bought them, that is your content. You own that content. You paid for it. It's your content for life. Yeah, he got lick. He got Yancey all on his mouth like liquor. All right, guys, I actually am out, though. Where did I study? Hogwarts. Yeah, I did. I did study at Hogwarts. I was on Voldemort's team, though. Harry was a loser. Harry was an up-only guy. Harry was like the permabulls. Like the bulltards. Like the bullies. The bullies. What is my position at right now? Should we TP here? I don't even know what's been going on. What's up right now? Oh, damn. We're getting a little pumpy. I don't like that. We don't like that. We want down. We want down only. I want you to have the market structure one. I want you to have the market structure one. Are you okay to have the market structure one? I want you to have that one. I got the other playlist link you put on earlier. Do I have any playlists showing how I manage and find those vectors? Yes, I have a smart money playlist as well. Just go on my channel and go to playlists. You'll see the smart money. You'll see the smart money stuff. Okay, guys, I'm out. Have a good day. Trade safe. Don't be stupid. It's not up only. It's not down only. Just trade the range. Don't listen to the noise. I don't know anything. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Let me add as well, cats are the best pet. Have a good one, guys. See you later.
Set my heart on fire.